with the Lordship's kind permission, may I can virtual mode. May I mention with the Lordship's kind permission? It's an old matter. Writ petition. It is the petitioners are going to be retired. Two of them have already been retired.
What is the urgency?
They are going to be retired. They have not been throughout their career for last 40 years. They have been working since 1992, but they have not been regularized. The matter is pending for last 4 years. It is 2020 matter, my lord. If your lordship kind enough to get it listed at least.
Wednesday.
I'm grateful.
Give the number.
My colleague is there. He's giving this 38107 of 2020.
Okay. Next.
I'm grateful.
Item one.
Item one, there is 4 cases.
Hmm?
There are 4 cases in item one.
What
Check leaves were stolen. Check leaves were stolen. FIR were lost. Bank was intimated to stop the payments. That has been established. Not only stolen from me, the complainant had
fast. Let me issue notice.
okay, it's noticed, but in appeal, conviction has been stayed, bail has been granted, compensation amount as directed, that has been also
It is in appeal.
it is the revision. In appeal, stay is.
ठीक गड़बड़ करनी
आगे
अपील ले कौन है व्हाट इज द आउटकम ऑफ द अपील
अपील ले स्टे हला सेंटेंस स्टे हला
हाउ मेनी टाइम शुड आई से अपील ले कन्विक्शन हिची की
ना ना अपील ले कन्विक्शन है
कोन हला
आई केते वर्ष प्रैक्टिस कले एती मिनिमम कन्वेंशन आसीबो व्हाई आर यू नॉट एबल टू से व्हाट हैपेंड इन द अपील अपील ले स्टे इन काई आइछन ताले देखि
आई जे एते के स्टे हला सब हला मते जो 20% डिपॉजिट पे इंसिस्ट कर
अधिका कथा कहले सब भूल हबो आपण स्टेट कम टू द अपील ऑर्डर देखले मते
अपील ऑर्डर इन पेज 31 पेज 31 I am satisfied that the appellant has good grounds to prefer this appeal if during pendency of appeal the commission appellant undergoes the sentence imposed against him. The judgment in this appeal is if he succeeds will be barren one. Besides, admittedly convict appellant was on bail before the trial court. For this, the petition is allowed. Bail is allowed. Execution of sentence imposed against the convict appellant is hereby suspended, and the direction of the trial court for payment of compensation is stayed, but this part, the appellant be released so and so. Next,
that is pending.
Next part. Again,
that means that is pending. It is not a final order.
No, no, appeal is pending.
Other things the पचरुची तो आपण मुळर से कथा कोण आदी आपण
appeal is pending. I could not. मैं खाली गोटे पार्ट पे सब हैला जे मते 20% डिपॉजिट पे इंसिस्ट करले. Still, no. No, I already established. Already findings is there. No, not my public submission.
जोड़ा statutory जोड़ा अच्छी सेटा
No, statutory.
This review is not maintainable. This is interim order.
not at all.
Again, नहीं जदि मु establish कर देली that was stolen.
जोड़ा statutory appeal ले जोड़ा rule अच्छी ताकु को high court can't dilute that.
Again, in exceptional case.
No exceptional case. All cases are equal for us.
Again,
not exceptional. You are not a great man. Exceptional case मुकाई करियो. All are equal. ग्रेड हो छोटा हो बड़ा हो सब आम पे समान
ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहलो
एडवोकेट बड़ा एडवोकेट ग्रेड एडवोकेट सब समान
नॉर्मली इंसिस्ट करत के डिपॉजिट बाय इन एक्सेस
नॉट मेंटेनेबल डिसमिस स्ट्रेट अवे डिसमिस
नहीं
ऑल थ्री डिसमिस ऑल फोर
अगर मोर एक्सेप्शनल केस एदी पई
आई एम नॉट एंटरटेनिंग सिंपल डोंट फॉर आर्ग्यू इफ यू आर एग्रीड बाय माय ऑर्डर गो एंड अपील बिफोर द नेक्स्ट कोर्ट डोंट फर्दर आर्ग्यू अच्छा मैटर से पेंडिंग है पैसा देबा एटी आज पड़े
ना पैसा आगे
पैसा देबे आ गया आ तो स्टैट्यूटरी को में लिखा है चेक बाउंस कला मते पचन थिले
स्टैट्यूटरी अच्छी जे कथा होची कोन
अच्छी जे माने हाई कोर्ट काई कन्सिडर
जदी एक्सेस हाई कोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी कहला जे
कहू सुप्रीम कोर्ट
जदी एक्सेप्शनल केस रे
सुप्रीम कोर्ट जानतो सही सुप्रीम कोर्ट को जानतो म मानिबी नहीं कहबे जज मानलानी जानतो अधिक ज्ञान देखो
नोटिस
बिल्कुल नहीं
नोटिस हो आगे स्टे हो से
नॉट मेंटेनेबल एंटरटेनेबल आज्ञा जो केस आपण जो मेरिट थिबा मु आपण कहबा आगर मु आड़ दे देबी आपण को एते करियो पड़ियो आई डोंट नहीं आपण जते डेली जते मुंडा बाडेली मु देबिनी जाहा को आनिले पृथ्वी रे जते बड़ एडवोकेट आनु को देबी देबिनी माने देबिनी You get any advocate from Delhi also, I don't care.
ନା ସେମିତି
ଆଉ
କାହିଁକି
law-
ସେମିତି ଆମେ ଆଗେ ଏ କୋର୍ଟରେ ସେମିତି ଫିଲ୍ କରିନୁ
ସେମିତି ମୁଁ
କେଉଁ
କହୁଛି, ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା କହୁଛି ଯୋଉଟା law ଅଛି, ଯୋଉଟା law ରେ clear ଅଛି, why should I not give you? ମୋ ତରଫରୁ ମୁଁ ଆପଣ କହିବା ଆଗରୁ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଦିଏ। You have seen many times.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଖତମ କରିବା ଆଗରୁ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ଆମେ ଫିଲ୍ କରିସାରିଛୁ ସବୁ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆଉ କହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଏଇଥିରେ
agree କରନ୍ତୁ।
ନା,
ଯାହା କରିବା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଠି ଗଲେ ପୁଣି
ସେମିତି କର, ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କରିବି କାଲି ଆଉ 10ଟା ଲୋକ ଆସିବେ ପୁଣି କାହାକୁ ମନା କରିବି?
ନା ଏଇଠି ଯେ କ୍ଲିୟର କେସ୍
ନା,
ମାନେ
clear case
କଣ ହେଇଛି
No law, clear case ନାହିଁ।
ଯୋଉଠି ବିଲକୁଲ ରିଲେସନସିପ ନାହିଁ କି
ସେଇଟା ସେ
ଇଏଟା
ବୁଝେଇବେ।
ନା ସେଇଟା
ମୁଁ
ଫାଇଣ୍ଡିଙ୍ଗସ୍
ବୁଝେଇବି।
ସେଇଟା
Next
ଫାଇଣ୍ଡିଙ୍ଗସ୍
item, sorry sir.
Item number 2.
ଆପଣ କହିବାକୁ
ନହେଲେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଥାଉ
Next
ଆଇଟମ 1 ରୁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ସକାଳ
entertain କରିବି first? Entertain କରିବି କାହିଁକି ରଖିବି?
ଆଇ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇଡ୍
I don't understand
ନେକ୍ସଟ
what-
ୱିକ୍ ଥାଏ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇଡ୍
ଆମର ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅଲରେଡି ଆମେ ବହୁତ କେସ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି। ଆଉ କଣ ପାଇଁ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ?
ଆଉ ଆଇଟମ 1 ରୁ ନେଗେଟିଭ ଇଏ କଲେ
more than 2 lakhs ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ହେଲାଣି।
ପ୍ରଥମ ଆରମ୍ଭ କେସ୍ ଆରମ୍ଭରୁ
ମୋ ବୋର୍ଡରେ ସବୁ ଖତମ କରିକି ମୁଁ ସାରିବି। ଏଇ ବୋର୍ଡ ଯେତେ ଦିନ ଅଛି ଯାହା ଅଛି ସଫା କରିଦେବି।
ନେକ୍ସଟ
ଏବେ ଅଧା ସରିଗଲାଣି। ଓପିଏଲ ଦେଖ ଏଇ 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଓପିଏଲ ସବୁ କ୍ଲିନ୍ ହେଇଯିବ। ତାପରେ ଖାଲି କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆସିବ। ଆଉ ସବୁ ଓପିଏଲ ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଯାହା ଅଛି ଲଗା ଧାଡାଧାଡ 100-150 ଲଗା ଖତମ କର। ଆଉ କିଏ ଆସିବେ ମୌକା ମିଳିବ?
ଡିସମିସ୍ ଥାଏ
ନାଇଁ।
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ହବ
ନା,
ଆଇଟମ 1 ରେ
Sorry,
ଡିସମିସ୍
sir,
କଲେ
I am not convinced. Once I am not convinced,
ନା ନା ମୁଁ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ କନଭିନ୍ସ ୟୁ
no, I am not convinced. You may
ନା
convince.
ମୁଁ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇଡ୍ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍
Next
ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇଡ୍
item, sir. Next.
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଥାବ
No, no,
ପ୍ରଥମ ଆଇଟମ
बिल्कुल नहीं. Not better. See the better. Next.
Item number 2.
Confirming appeal, 1 year conviction in appeal matter. IA for stay and reverse.
This is what is the offense?
471, 409, 468, 471. So 1 year conviction is appeal.
Okay. Issue notice. State copy this. Okay. IA कौन है?
Relation of fine and appeal.
Bail grant. Next. He's inside custody or outside?
Yeah, outside. Statutory period ଭିତରେ appeal revision file କରୁଛି।
ठीक है. No delay.
No.
Next.
Item 3.
Three.
Item 3 may I please, your lordship.
Free कौन?
Lordship, the petitioner has challenged the criminal revision for challenging the judgment passed by the Lawrence additional session judge in Nuapada in criminal appeal number 22-6 of
What is the offense?
offense 323, 326, 307.
कौन कले आपण कहंतु? Section कहंतु?
accused petitioner assault करथिला कि उचे informant मुंडगु ठेंगारे ठेंगारे बाड़ी।
Then he was admitted in hospital.
Let's see.
He was admitted in hospital.
Let's see.
Then he recovered. Okay. ठीक है. He is in custody.
Custody 29/7/2024.
ଏବେ custody ଅଛି.
Custody.
Granted.
Realization of stay, realization of fine.
କରିଦେଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ହେଇଗଲା. ଯୋଉଠି ଥିବ କହିବାକୁ ପଡିବନି. ଆପଣ କହିବା ଆଗରୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି. ହେଲା.
Obliged.
Next item.
Item 4.
Four.
Lord, some persons of petitioner's village encroach the land milord. That land milord Sarvasadaran in Potta, Kotian milord, that is page 12 milord.
So you are the villager.
Yes, milord, I am the villager.
So that there is obstruction of road or something.
ସେଟା ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ତହସିଲଦାର କୁ ଗୋଟେ representation that representation
କଣ ସେଟା obstruction of road କି କଣ କୋଉ ଜାଗା ସେଟା କାହା ଜାଗା କୋଉ ଜାଗା କେମିତି
ସର୍ବସାଧାରଣ ଜାଗା
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ସେମାନେ ଘର ଫର করে ଆମେ ଦେଇଛୁ ଚାଷକୁ ଆମେ
ଏମିତି ଅଧା ଅଧୁରା କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ହଁ ପ୍ଲିଜ ପ୍ଲିଜ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏ କୋଉ ଜାଗାଟା ରାସ୍ତା
ଗ୍ରାମ୍ୟ
ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ଘର ବନେଇଛି।
ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ଘର ଜାଗା ଛାଡିକି ଆଣିକି ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ କଭର କରିକି ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଗୋ ଦଣ୍ଡଟା ଅଛି ଗାଈ ଫାଇ କେମିତି ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଇପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଅନ୍ୟ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ସ୍କୁଲ ରାସ୍ତା ବି ବସି ପଡେ।
No. He is obstructing the road. Road is the public place.
Next two ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ pending सीधा report ଦବ ତହସିଲଦାର। Let the तहसीलदार कोड तहसीलदार Udala submit a report about the encroachment of the village road by the encroachers. OP number 5 and 6. The they said the learned Tahsildar shall ensure that he personally visit the spot and file the report within 1 week, within 10 days from today. List the matter on 17. Report asila ପରେ ସେ next. Next,
Item 5.
5.
Challenges the inaction of the object parties that the
What is the inaction, madam?
Article 5 to 7.
Why are you saying the same gisa pita rota inaction कौन है कौन है inaction of the समझते लिखुଛନ୍ତି inaction आपण भी कहले inaction. Young people should have some different language. Lingua change करो तो same be inaction basing on दो चारटा word ଶିଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଘାଟା ଘାଟା ଘାटा ଘାଟା ଗାଇ ଅଛି. Basing on କହିବେ नहीं based on କହିବେ no basing on. Basing on is old archive English. ब्रिटिश जमाना रे इंग्लिश यूज होते ସେ ପଳେଇ ଗଲାଣି ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଯାଇକି କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଏଟା ସେଟା ଇଂଲିଶ ଆମେ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ କହିଛେ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅନ୍ ଆର୍କାଇଭ ଇଂଲିଶ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଆର୍କାଇଭ ଇଂଲିଶ नो से डोंट से बेसिंग ऑन बेस्ड ऑन ଯେତେ କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ବେସିଂ ଅନ୍ ଦେଖିବି ଖାଲି ଆମ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ କୋଉଠି ବେସିଂ ଅନ୍ ପାଇବେନି କୋଉଠି ପାଇବେନି ଆମ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଛାଡ଼ ସମସ୍ତେ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅନ୍ ଓକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Article 5 to 7.
କଣ ହେଲା ଇସ୍ୟୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ କମ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ଇସ୍ୟୁ
They will obstruct the
who are you first tell me you are a public villager co-villager so your what is the problem
the Article 5 to 7 were private party. They were encroach the government road, which was adjacent to additional plot. For
ये
which
बाकी गाँव रे प्रॉब्लम काहे होला आपन को प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज़ आपन घर पाखरे बोली because is that एड़ा प्राइवेट डिस्प्यूट है why are you
Private.
giving a color of public dispute
Obstruct the free flow of my residential.
huh
in front of the road.
okay let same order कर दो तहसीलदार देव रिपोर्ट को तहसीलदार
Chodhar.
तहसीलदार चौधरी to submit a report within 10 days from today and it will let the तहसीलदार एड़ा किछि लेखा नै प्राइवेट डिस्प्यूट बेसिस बासना होछि बासनाटा प्राइवेट डिस्प्यूट होछि पब्लिक लागुनी बेसी
That road is public road. It is geographical.
पब्लिक रोड जे आपन को बेसी असुविधा बाकी का असुविधा होने
ତାଙ୍କ ଜାଗାକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଉଛି।
ହଉ ଦେଖିବା let him get the report and see okay report ହେଇଯିବ ଆସିଲା ଏମିତି ହେଇଯିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦିଅ ବୋଲି ହେଲା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆवे ଭାଙ୍ଗା ଆଉ କିଛି ଦିଆଯିବନି ଚାନ୍ସ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆवे ଏଠୁ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇ ଭାଙ୍ଗ
ତାହେଲେ ଇନେକ୍ସନ ବି ଆସିବେ ଆକ୍ସନ ବି ଆସିବେ।
ଏକ୍ସନ ଇନେକ୍ସନ ଦିଟା ହେବ ଆଉ ଅପିଲ ଯିବାର ସ୍କୋପ ପାଇବନି
ଜଣେ
ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦିଅ
ଜଣେ ଷ୍ଟେ ନେଇଯିବ ଜଣେ ଆସିବ
ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ସେ ଷ୍ଟେ ଫେ କିଛି ଶୁଣାଯିବନି ପବ୍ଲିକ ରୋଡରେ ଘର ବନେଇକି ଗୋଟେ ମଜା କର କିଛି ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବି ଯେତେ ଭଙ୍ଗା ରୁଜା କରିବା ଅଛି ଏଇ ମୋ ପିରିୟଡରେ ହେଇଯିବ ଭଙ୍ଗା ଦେଖ ସବୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବି ଯୋଉଠି ଯାହା ଭାଙ୍ଗିବାର ଅଛି
ଠିକ ସେ ଡେଟ୍
ଡେଟ୍ 18 କରିଦିଅ 17 ଥାଉ ଆରଟା ବି 17 ଅଛି ନା ଦି ଦିନ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ 3-4ଟା ଭଙ୍ଗା ହେଲେ ସିନା ମଜା ଆସିବ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 6.
6
number 5. Enclose the cultural land and constructed a club in that cultural plot.
constructed
A club, named Radhakrishna Club. The RI inquiry,
Club,
she pays 11 years found that it's already construction of 20 square foot club house. But no,
ଆର ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
she page 11.
ପେଜ 11
ନା ଗାଁ ଲୋକ କ୍ଲବ
ଏଟା ଆର ଲେଖିଛି ନା ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
RI.
ପକ୍କା ନା ପକ୍କା ନା ହଉ। Hello. The Tahsildar Jaleshwar, the sorry, first it like the petitioner is a co-village whose main grievance who has approached this court with a grievance that the one encroacher bracket OP number 6
4.
OP number 4 who has encroached the Gochar land being plot number 906 under khata number 424 of an area of 0.005 decimal which is used by the petitioners and people of the locality for grazing their cows. He further submits that the Tahsildar Jaleshwar, after receiving the direction from the collector Baleswar, had made an inquiry and found that there was a concrete building of 280 square feet in the name of Radha Krishna Club. But despite the report given by the RI to the Tahsildar Jaleshwar, the said building is still existing in the said plot. In view of the submission made by the petitioner, the Tahsildar Jaleshwar is directed to take appropriate steps to remove the encroacher from the Gochar land at the earliest possible, preferably within a month of preferably within 1 month. Hala? Out of central account. If the said Tahsildar fails to do so, it is presumed that he is held up in contempt. Next.
Item 8.
My lord. Upili Metro, my lord, and I have been residing.
Kete number?
Item 8.
Upili Metro, my lord, I have been residing with my family members since long over the enclosed plot bearing in measurement of area 25 decimals. The Tahsildar initiated a leak case. Land encroachment case Tahsildar has initiated. I made an application for settlement of the land under section 8A of the UP Act, which is pending. The lordship may direct.
धक्का पे ऐसे ले पेंडिंग में धक्का
जंगल के सब जमी ही पारियो
हाँ
जंगल के सब जमी
जहाँ हो ना हो से डिसाइड करो ना खत्म पोके कहीं रखी the petitioner challenges the inaction of the Tahsildar दाना गाड़ी दाना गाड़ी हो ठीक है दाना एका तो दिए ने दाना भी है दाना भी है
दाना गाड़ी
ओके दाना गाड़ी who is okay दाना गाड़ी so who has sorry the petitioner has approached the said Tahsildar seeking settlement of the land. Case number कितने? Under section 8A of Upili Act. Case number कितने?
5523. Upili case number 55.
Upili case number 55/23.
8A रे केबे एप्लीकेशन
केबे देइछन देखो ना दी
रिप्रेजेंटेशन काम
12/2/24.
एरा रिप्रेजेंटेशन देइछन से 8A रे
अरे आपण 8A रे कोठी कोठी
से लिखिचो 8A रे
लेखि देला अब कोठी फाइल कर नंबर ता थिबा ना
ना से नंबर आया को
नंबर नाही ना आपण जाई ना छोड़ी
Apply.
जगत को आपण जाईथिबे ओपी जदी आपण सेटलमेंट में केस करबे गोटे केस नंबर ता बनिथिबो ना केस नंबर ता दिया जाईथिबो
से ओपीली केस रे हम दोच एप्लीकेशन
आपण बकवास करते the petitioner to approach the Tahsildar for settlement of the said land within approach within 7 days from today, seeking settlement of the said land in favor of the president under section
8A of the
8A of the OPL Act. Full stop. If the petitioner approaches the Tahsildar within 7 days, the Tahsildar shall dispose of the said application within 1 month from the date of presentation of the order. We will dispose of.
till
what?
not to take any
कौन है जी? Action
काले भाग्य मुंगे देबे
कोडी आपण एक्शन
हजूर को ऑर्डर टा पाइला पर
अरे हजूर छाड़ा म हजूर खजूर मो कथा सुनो को ऑर्डर को चैलेंज करछंदी
नहीं से
किछि नाही तो कोन पे कोटा को स्टे करबी
ख फॉर्म इशू करना
आ ख फॉर्म से ग फॉर्म माउ से बुझियो देखो till the matter is taken up by the Tahsildar there shall not be any course of action.
हजूर 7 दिन जो दले
आ गप्प करनी
10 दिन हजूर कर दियो
बिल्कुल नहीं मु 7 दिन
कॉपी बाहर कोला
को कॉपी ते प्रैक्टिस जीवा सुप्रीम कोर्ट रो ऑर्डर अगेंस्ट चलो तोड़े ऑर्डर पाइबो फटकना पठे दो ना धरि के बसिथिबो से आइबा जे पैसा धरि आइले तार देबा भलो प्रैक्टिस डोंट डू दिस 7 days को डिस्ट्रिक्ट
जानगदी
जलेश्वर ना जाजपुर ए पाखटा एते कथा ए घर कटक लागि आगो तो कटक डिस्ट्रिक्ट थिला जलेश्वर परा
जाजपुर दानगदी से भीतर केउंझर रोड
ହଁ ହେଲା ଏ ପାଖରେ ତ ପାଖରେ 10 days ଭିତରେ।
All right.
10 days ଭିତରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ନ ଗଲେ no protection. Like that is made clear that if the petitioner doesn't approach within 10 days, there shall not be any, and the interim order shall remain inoperative. Full stop. Allah, out clear kar deni. Only disclosure, last disclosure. But next,
Item 9.
9.
My case is similar to item number 8, my lord.
କୋଉଟା
I will make an application.
Okay.
ସେଠି ଆପଣ eviction notice
Notice nahi, notice kar
Similar order.
file ଏଇଠି କେମିତି ଯିବେ
announce kar do tin microphone.
Similar order kar diya.
Aye.
Apan settlement mein jibe apan.
Aye.
Okay. Next.
All right.
Next.
Item 10.
10.
Yes, petitioner challenge the annexure 1 passed by the Tahsildar Sukila, really unconstitutional without any date. First thing. Second thing, my lord,
What is the order from first?
my lord, annexure running page 8.
କପି ଦେବା next 8 9
ये केबे का order है?
टू starting
केबे का order?
epidemic
Order केबे का?
उल्टा ठीक ଅଛି
Page con diye ulta itla step.
ଠିକ ଅଛି
Tahsildar issue notice, but without a date.
तो एटा तो आपने करा बेटा
2023 ର
एटा शोकज बोले
ଆସो କହ
So,
हाँ 30 दिन दे शोक
Ready, I mean, so called one, annexure 2.
तो आप रिप्लाई दे ले
Reply to annexure 2. My case, my lord. Para to my pleading. Tahsildar has no location to issue that type of notice.
कौन की करियो ताले
Manner that the.
एक तो
petitioner-
चोरी उसके ऊपर सीना चोरी हाँ तहसीलदार करियो तो की करियो
Tahsildar जमीन में Tahsildar केମିତି କରିବ?
की करियो
ଏଇଟା ଏକାଦିଆ ଜମି ଏଇଟା ସୁକିନ୍ଦା tribal area case.
ट्राइबल एरिया
My lord.
तो किंदा ट्राइबल एरिया जाउची
The father of the petitioner.
रोहन तो सॉरी नहीं आपण पढन पछे पढिबे सुकिंदा को ट्राइबल एरिया जाउची
ଏଇଟା ସୁକିନ୍ଦାର
Tribal area ଯାଉଛି।
ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଏରିଆ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି।
ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଏରିଆ ବୋଲେ ଟ୍ରାଇବଲ ହେଇଗଲା ଆପଣ ଆଜି ମତେ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି
Schedule caste ସହିତ
शेड्यूल का तहसीलदार କରିବନି କିଏ କରିବ
ତହସିଲଦାର କରୁଛି ମୋର
କିଏ କରିବ ତହସିଲଦାର ନ କଲେ କିଏ କରିବ ମତେ ବତେଇଲେ
6-7 ରେ vesting ନ କରି
ଏମିତି ପାଠ ପଢାନ୍ତୁନି ମତେ ବୁଝିଲେ କିଏ କରିବ ମତେ କହିଲେ କିଏ କରିବ ତହସିଲଦାର କରିବ ତ କିଏ କରିବ
କଲେକ୍ଟର ହିସାବରେ vesting କରିବ
କିଏ କରିବ
ତହସିଲଦାର କରିବ vesting କରିବ
ଏଟା କଣଟା କରିଛି କି ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିଛି
କୌଣସି ତାର ଡେଟ୍ ରଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଡେଟ୍ ନ ରଖିଲେ ସେଟା କହିପାରନ୍ତି ବଟ୍ ୟୁ କାଣ୍ଟ ସେ ଡଜଣ୍ଟ ହାଭ ଦ ଅଥରିଟି ତାର ଅଥରିଟି ହେବ ତାହେଲେ
he has already filed so called reply let it be decided
fine but my respectful submission my lord
okay then the petitioner pursue his remedy before the Tahsildar Sukinda hala the Tahsildar Sukinda to dispose of his
case OPL case
कितने नंबर केस नंबर
yes no my lord
535
535 of this
yeah please
530 535 of 2023 huh? Within 1 month from the date of presentation of the order till the matter is taken up by the Tahsildar Sukinda no prosecution
ମାନେ ଭାଇ
clear खत्म
ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ରହୁ ପାରା 2
कौन କିଛି ରଖିବିନି କାହିଁକି ରଖିବି ସେ ତ ତହସିଲଦାର ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ସେ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବ ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ରଖିବି ଲେଖିବି କଣ
ପ୍ଲିଡିଂ ରହୁ ମୋ ସବମିଶନ
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏମିତି ସବମିଶନ କଲା ଭଳିଆ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସବମିଶନ କଣ ଥିଲା ଅଥରିଟି ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅଥରିଟି ନାହିଁ ତହସିଲଦାର କାହାର ଅଥରିଟି ଆସୁଛି କାହାର ଅଥରିଟି ଆସିବ ଓଏଲଏ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଏସବୁ ପାଠ ପଢନ୍ତୁନି ତହସିଲଦାର ନଗର କିଏ କରିବ ଆଉ କିଏ କୋଉ ଅଥରିଟି ଭେଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଅଛି
କଲେକ୍ଟର କରିବ
ହଁ କଲେକ୍ଟର କରିବେ ନା କିଛି କରିବେ
ତହସିଲଦାର
ତ ଆପଣ ସେଟା ତହସିଲଦାର ଶୋକଜ କାହିଁ ଦେଲେ ତାହେଲେ ତୁ କହିଲେ ନା କଲେକ୍ଟରକୁ ଦେଲେନି ବେକାର କଥା ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉଟା legally who are issuing notice for eviction are often forgetting to mention the date in the notice eviction notice which is creating lot of problem for the people like the petitioner. Hence this court is of the view that the Revenue Secretary, Government of Odisha, should issue a circular to all the Tahsildars in the state, stressing the importance of mentioning the date in the eviction notice clearly on the top right hand side. Hello? On the top, on the right, on the right hand, at the top of the right hand side. Hello? And a copy of the circular be presented before this court on the next date of hearing, that is 18 September. Hello? This is for that purpose only, but your work is over. Only for that purpose. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଲଗେଇଛି ସେ ସାର୍କୁଲାର ଟା ମତେ ଦେଖିବେ ହେଲା ଏଥର ସବୁ ସାର୍କୁଲାର ଆସିବ ହେଲା matter ends. Next.
Item 11.
11.
May I please, my lord? My lord, the present petitioner made a application, made a written report before IIC Cybercrime Police Station, Bhubaneswar, on dated 7.
Who are you?
I am the account holder.
କଣ
And-
ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
I deposited 1,40,000 in the account of Ignite Creative Technology Limited
For purchasing
for
something?
part-time job.
କାଇଁ deposit କାଇଁ କଲେ ତମେ?
And fraud, when I knew that is a fraud.
Huh?
Fraud.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ ମୋର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆନ୍ସର ପାଇଲିନି ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଜବ୍ ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେ ଯେ ପଇସା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କଲେ
ସେ part-time
ମୋ କଥା ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲେ ପାର୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ ତ ପାର୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଜବ୍ ପାଇଁ ଗଲେ ପଇସା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କଲେ ପଚାରୁଛି ପଇସା କଣ ପାଇଁ
as per their instruction.
हाँ
Say 5,000
बेल मुझे मार हाँ फिर
and
ଆସିକି
then
ତ ନିଜେ ଆପଣ
10,000.
ବେଲ୍ କୁ ଡାକୁଛନ୍ତି ମାର
ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଆମେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଟାକୁ ଫ୍ରିଜ କରିଦେଲୁ ତାପରେ ସେ ସେ ପୁଣି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଅନଫ୍ରିଜ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ସାଇବର କ୍ରାଇମ ବାଲା କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କହିଲେ ଅନଲେସ୍ until a court order is there ନିଜେ ନିଜେ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇକି ବନ୍ଦ କରିଥିଲେ କାରଣ ସେ
ସେମିତି ହେଇଥିଲେ କଣ ପଳେଇଥାନ୍ତେ
ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଦୂର କହିଲା ପରେ ଆମେ ସେ ଅନଫ୍ରିଜ କଥା ନଗେଇ ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କହିଲା ବେଳେ ଅନଫ୍ରିଜ କଥା ଆସୁନି
ସେ ସେଇଟା ନିଜେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସାଇବର କ୍ରାଇମ କି ସାଇବର କ୍ରାଇମ ନ
ଆପଣ
କଲେ
ଅନଫ୍ରିଜ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ତାଙ୍କ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ
ତାହେଲେ
ସେ ନେଇଯାଇଛି 125
the
ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଲା ପରେ ସବୁ
the,
ନେଇଯାଇଛି
the grievance of the petitioner is that the petitioner filed the writ petition seeking the direction to the opposite party. Number 2, to release the money in favor of the present, release the defreezing the account, release the money, defreezing the account of the present petitioner, which has, which is, the account number is like that, 553000 paragraph 3. So it has been frozen by the order of the cyber PS Bhubaneswar in case number. So the petitioner, the grievance of the petitioner is that he has been defrauded by one Ignite Creative. बढ़िया Ignite करछी आपन को Ignite Creativity Technology Limited, wherein he has applied for a part-time job. केडी मूर्खा माने and whereby the petitioner's account has been frozen. Considering the facts in such the case of the present account of the defreezed, getting to the bank with the and the petitioner to that's all bank to karibo
bank କରି ପାରିବା
ସେମାନେ ଲେଟର ବି ବନ୍ଦ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ
according to the cyber crime
cyber
cell of the cyber crime and economic offense wing of the Bhubaneswar police to approach the bank for seeking refund of the account. Next.
item 12.
Tell your client थोड़ा तो दिमाग लगाए हाँ दिमाग क्या उधार देछि की ना चोरी जेछि घास
ଆପଣ ସିନା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା
हाँ
ଆପଣ ଜାଣି notice is under challenge. OPL Act, admittedly the petitioner is in occupation of a government land
You settle the account.
ठीक है. Your lordship may kindly turn to page 17.
17 pound.
ତାଙ୍କର ନିଜର survey says that he is entitled to be settled with the land.
ହେଲା ଯେ
ଠିକ ଅଛି.
settlement ତ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ନା, settlement
Your lordship may also kindly turn to page 18. So let him take a decision, taking into, after hearing me and after considering whatever I submit.
ପ୍ରଗତି petition.
OP number 4.
ଆପଣ କୋଉ section ରେ apply କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ପରେ କହିଛି ମୁଁ apply
I have not done that.
I am-
That is some section.
8A ରେ ହବ ପରା?
8A ରେ କରନ୍ତୁ, କାହିଁକି
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
8A ରେ କରନ୍ତୁ.
ସେଟା କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
The
ମତେ ଶୁଣି
petitioner to approach the
OP number
Tahsildar-
4.
Tahsildar
Remuna. OP
Remuna.
number 4. Remuna, OP
under
number
section
4.
8A of the Appeal Act for settlement of the land in question. And accordingly, the
Which she is in occupation.
it is the municipal area, sir. So
ନା ନା ଏଇଟା ପ୍ରମାଣ ପତ୍ର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, but Remuna Tahsildar has done it. Is to do it. Is to do
executive
it.
officer Balsar municipality ଦେଇଛି।
No, ସେଟା certificate, but
ତ
notice annexure 9 may kindly be seen. Page 9, annexure 1. Notice has been issued by,
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତହସିଲଦାର Remuna।
ଜଣେ ଆସିଛି,
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ପାଇଁ ଜଣେ ଆସିଛି।
And
ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଆସିଛି ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ପାଇଁ।
actually, this has
but I
been done.
think municipal land having municipal executive officer କରୁଥିବ।
No, it will, no, no.
I think said Tahsildar said. Okay, next.
Item 14.
14.
Hereby limited there is to the direction may be given to the collector to dispose of my representation on the annexure 3.
Sorry?
Annexure 4.
और annexure କରିକି ଆସି କପି ପଢେଇଲେ। What is the issue କହନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ annexure
Your lordship and Nakula Sahu and
ତାର case ଟା କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ?
has encroached land. For that reason, I have made,
Who are you?
I am the
Who
person
are you?
who I am the
WHO who ARERYOU.
I am the local inhabitant who is using the road.
ସେଟା କହୁନ ପୁଛ ଅଛି annexure annexure
Who is using
annexure word ମୋ କୋଟରେ ୟୁଜ କରିବ ସିଧା। ଖାଲି ଆଇଲେ annexure annexure କଣ ଏଟା? କେସ୍ କଣ କହନ୍ତି ନା annexure। ଯୋଉମାନେ ଫାଇଲ ପଢନ୍ତିନି ସେମାନେ annexure ବେଶୀ ଦେଖନ୍ତି। ଫାଇଲ ପଢିଲା ଲୋକ 2 ମିନିଟ ଟାକ୍ 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 କହିବ ପଳେଇବ ସିଧା। ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିକି ଆସ।
ରାସ୍ତାରେ
ଘରେ
ବ୍ଲକ
ପୁରା ଦର୍ପଣ ସାମ୍ନାରେ 2 ମିନିଟ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରି ଆସ। ଆମେ ସେଇଆ କରୁଛୁ। When you are practicing Supreme Court, we used to ଦର୍ପଣ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ କୁ କେମିତି 2-3 ମିନିଟରେ କହିବୁ ସେମିତି ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରୁ। And then ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଦରକାର ପଡେନି। ମାସେ କରିଦିଅ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ। ତମେ ତ ପୁରା ପଣ୍ଡିତ ମାନେ କିଛି କରିବନି ଆଉ କିଏ କଣ କରିବ? ଏତେ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ଯେ ସବୁ ଏଠି ଆସିକି ସବୁ ହିସାବ କରିବ। ସିରିୟସଲି ନିଅ ପ୍ରଫେସନ ଏତେ କାଇଁ ଲାଇଟଲି ନିଅ? ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ କୁ 2 ମିନିଟ 2 ଲାଇନ 3 ଲାଇନରେ କହି ନ ପାରିବ ତ କି ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରୁଛ? କୁହ 2 ଲାଇନରେ କୁହ କେସ୍ ଟା କଣ?
I am the local inhabitant who is and the one Nakula who is has encroached the road and we are facing problem. For that reason, we have made a complaint before the Tahsildar. Tahsildar did not take any.
ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେତେ ଲୋକ ସେଟା ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି?
ଆମେ ସେ
କେତେ ଲୋକ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଅର୍ଡର ସାଇନ ମାରିଛନ୍ତି ଏଥିରେ? କେତେ ଲୋକ ପିଟିସନ? ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ନିଜର ପର୍ସନାଲ ଫାଇଦା କଣ ଉଠେଇବ
OPL case already
initiate କରିଛି। ତାପରେ ଆଉ କିଛି step ନଉନାହାନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ representation କିଛି ଟାଇମ ଲିମିଟେଡ ସେଇ କେସ୍ ଟା ସରି ଦିଆଯାଉ ନହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇମ ଲିମିଟେଡ ଟାଇମ ପିରିୟଡ।
LE case ନା OPL case?
ଏଲି କେସ୍
लीड case है राजा।
land एली केस नंबर 19 of 24.
हाँ तो 19 এটা dispose हो। LE case number 19 of 24-25.
LE case number 19 of 2024 pending before the opposite part number 3 shall be disposed of within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of the order. Next.
Item 15.
Lord, a large piece of government land of Kisam Gocha is being encroached upon by some villagers influential. Your lordship, no, case initiate hayni. Case initiate hayni. I am one of the villagers. My personal interest also involved, your lordship. The land in question, your lordship, for a moment, for 1 minute, your lordship. For That from time immemorial, Lordship, the land was.
अरे सर मु
27
कहली परा तहसीलदार रिपोर्ट दबा बोली कहली आ तो
Right.
न सुनी करी आपण
Obliged,
बुझुनी कोन
नहीं,
आपण
नहीं, ठीक।
कहय चाहउछथि मु फाइल न पड़ी के आसेनी
Obliged,
आई नो द केस से तहसीलदार टू submit a report what the encroachment 18 तारीख next
Item 16.
May I please? The request made by the petitioner for a refund of his thrift deposit amount, which has thrift deposit amount.
What?
Thrift deposit amount.
Thrift.
Thrift deposit amount. Minute.
THRIFT
ERIFT.
कौन है
Which has been deposited before the bank.
थ्रिफ्ट कांगी हैला वर्ड का थ्रिफ्ट कांगी हैला
As per the
फिक्स बैंक अछि आरडी अछि फिक्स डिपॉजिट अछि थ्रिफ्ट कांगी हैला
this is a card bank, Lordship, as per the yes, Your Lordship. Yes.
फाळे फाळे कोइ कोच
Yes.
तो कोन तापर
Though the authority has disposed my arbitration case as found the case of the petitioner as genuine and requested the authority to refund
आर्बिट्रेशन केस
arbitrator.
भाई क्या बोलते हो show me which authority what is he what happened बोले तो जानी भी
Yes, sir.
केस तो 2 मिनिट रे मिनिट रे कहया अभ्यास करके आसनु सर एंती गप्प करो यडसड करन तुम मुंड खराब कर बिसना गुटे आधा केस गुटे लाइन रे कहबो ताको बुलेई बंकी टकी करी कहबे 3 दिन दो टेल मी व्हाट इज द केस इन ब्रीफ दो ही लाइन रे कोन दो ही लाइन
The petitioner has deposited the three
how much amount he deposited
5,10,000
5,10,000
Yes,
in the
sir.
card bank
card bank.
which card bank which branch
In that
which branch
card bank, Baragada branch, Your Lordship. Baragada branch.
huh
Baragada card bank.
तापर then what happened
The amount has not yet been refunded to the petitioner as per the provision.
that was term deposit
Yes, Your Lordship.
term deposit
Yes.
for how many years
That the
have you approached the bank
yes, Your Lordship.
Why is that a-
Running page 36.
Huh?
Liquidator already appointed.
Therefore,
बैंक बुड़ी लगी
हाँ.
तो लिक्विडेटर को अप्रोच करो
No, no, running page 36, Your Lordship. That is the order.
36
36. Second paragraph.
the arbitrator of the official assistant registrar cooperative society
Yes.
the dispute case was admitted so and so as per the statement of
Second
the
paragraph, Your Lordship.
available was balanced with the card bank and the theft register so and so hence the deposit amount in thrift deposit account so and so is genuine whereas the liquidator has already been appointed for liquidation of this businesses Vargad by the DRC so and so the deposit amount to the deposit will be fixed for the liquidator after completion of liquidity proceeding the liquidative proceeding policy sir
No, no, already over. You are already over. Therefore, I filed an application before the liquidator under Annex
After
937.
लगा
After
In the
completion
meantime,
of the
completion has already been over.
सिटिंग सलाह दबो ना सर कार के तो दबो से डिसाइड करके दबो ना
Already been over, Your Lordship.
कुछ पता नहीं है ऐसा बोलते रहते
उन-
लगा the case of the present petitioner is that he had deposited rupees 5,07,000
134.
134 यदि डिपॉजिट करते
Yes, sir. Along with interest.
Huh?
Along with interest.
এটা মানে এলাকা with interest এটা আছে
Asiva.
और यार interest
আগে।
with the card bank Bargad in the thrift deposit register volume 2 at GL number 108 GL number 108 in account number 160 of Sri Premraj Das the petitioner hearing and the said deposit amount is genuine which found to be genuine by the arbitrator and however the arbitrator has stated that since the liquidation proceeding is pending the amount deposited by the present petitioner along with the interest could not have been paid. the petitioner to approach the liquidator for the realization of the said amount
Opposite part number 4.
along with option number 4. Liquidator 4.
Opposite part number 4.
Option number 4 for the realization of the said amount along with the interest full stop. If the liquidation proceedings is not over, if the liquidation proceedings is over, the liquidator is directed to refund, release the entire amount to the present petitioner within 1 month from the date of presentation of the order.
Obliged.
ଯଦି liquidation proceedings ସରି ନଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ଦେବନି।
Yes, sir.
ସରିଥିଲେ ଦେବ।
Yes. Obliged.
And the petitioner may be directed to submit an indemnity bond of that amount.
That
Yes.
he will ask whatever on this, on the submit, whatever ଯାହା ଦରକାର ସେ ଦେବ।
As per it.
And the, how to write like this? The liquidator shall seek the required document from the present petitioner and accordingly release the amount. On the satisfaction, about the matter of satisfaction, the documents to be. Next.
Item 18.
This one. Next.
Item 18.
18.
That's my objection to the notice of first notice.
अरे
जो
गुटे
appeal-
गुटे ओपीले अछि गुटे बैंक गुटे गुटे ओपीले ओपीले सीरियली गुटे रखुना बैंक सीरियली गुटे रखि देबो
प्रेस एडमिशन गोटे तू अलग अलग करके देले तले डाटा हेडिंग सब करियो पड़ियो
कर लो कोन है
तो पीली गोटे हेडिंग
नेक्स्ट
Objection in the first notice of the appeal. The second notice for eviction has been solved. The objection is under annexure 6, that is page 54. That 7/4/22, I have filed my objection to the first notice. Thereafter, the eviction notice is issued in annexure 7, page 69.
40.
Page 69 eviction notice.
The petitioner assumes the action of the opposite part number 2.
And this honorable court also directed to
Issue notice under section 6(1) read with rule 9A of Appeal Act in the form B for eviction of the petitioner from the land without finalizing the objection filed by the present petitioner. Pursuant to earlier notice and further open number 3 and 4 having without any authority. आगे एते तो लंबा सेंटेंस काहे लिखंती सेंटेंस छोटा कला असुविधा अछि गुटे सेंटेंस रे गुटे मीनिंग आसीवा दरकार गुटे आइडिया गुटे सेंटेंस आपनकर गुटे सेंटेंस रे 30 टा आइडिया आउस
try.
एरा हो सबुटु गंधिया राइटिंग one of 2020-2021 the said case shall be disposed of within a period of 2 months from the date of presentation of the order according to the disposal. No course of action till the matter is taken up by the Procedural. Next.
Item 19.
In the earlier writ petition, your lordship's direction is there. That is at page 16, wherein your lordship has directed me to make a proposal to the bank and bank will settle the loan. Accordingly, I have made a representation to the bank authority. Instead of taking any steps upon my representation, the bank has filed a suit, recovery suit, and they are going on. So my limited prayer is that
Limited price nothing.
say mo settle kara jao moro jo represent pursuant
सेटल करे अपन पैसा देले सेटल करिवे खत्म
हाँ, पैसा ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେଇଛି।
एथि प्रेयर करिया यार बैंक रे प्रेयर करंतु
କରିଛି but they are not କରିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ
केते
step
पैसा आपन अछि
ମୁଁ 8,33,000
देगी पैसा देन
ଦେଇ ସାରିଲିଣି
सब दे सारे
ଆଜ୍ଞା
बैंक की
I am applying for bank. They have solved the copy just now.
let the bank to take instruction देखि दंतु यदि देई नाथि ताले टेक क्लोज इट मु चाहूँ मैटर एठी सॉल्व हे जो अननेसेसरी काई लंबी हां
ସେମାନେ ସୁଟ୍ ରେ proceed କରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଆମେ ବି protected ମିଳଟା ଫାଇଲଟା ନାହିଁ
प्रोटेक्ट करा जीवनी
आइए
मु जानि नि को सुट कोन लेट हिम टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन फास्ट तापर प्रोटेक्ट
I may be permitted to file a time petition at least there so that they will
एरा मु परमिट काई करबी तो हम टाइम पिटिशन एठी
if they will proceed with the suit miller then
बकवास कथा कोनी सेठी परमिट टाइम पिटिशन मागियो मु काई परमिशन तुमको देबी एठी हाई कोर्ट रे ए की कथा माने को जानि परबी को सेक्शन लिखाई जेटा जे एठी टाइम पिटिशन पे मु परमिशन देबी Which section?
I have filed an IA.
अरे भाई which section? କହିଛି ସେଟା କୋଉ ସେକ୍ସନ ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ ପିଟିସନ ପାଇଁ ଏଠି ପରମିଶନ
ନାଇଁ
ଦରକାର
ମୁଁ
ପରମିଶନ ନେବେ
IA ଟାରେ
ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲି ସେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ର ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ପଇସା ଦେଖାବ କଣ ସବୁ
କୋର୍ଟରେ ପ୍ରୋସିଡ୍ କରିଗଲେ ଏଇଟା
ଗଲା 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 କିଏ କଣ କରିବ ପଇସା ନ ଦେବେ ଏଇଟା ହେବ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବି till nothing let him take instruction Monday ରେ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ Tuesday ରେ sorry Monday ହବନି Tuesday ଆଜି ତ ଛୁଟି ଥିବ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବୋଧେ କଲା Tuesday Wednesday you should get 2 days also Wednesday ରେ କିଛି ହବନି he will take care of it ହେଲା next
Item 20.
Madam, I'm Procedural.
20
My lord, I'm Procedural. Madam, in this application, the petitioner seeks for a direction to evict the encroachers who has forcibly constructed the
who are you
public spiritual
Who are
person
you?
and protecting the forest, my lord. Public spiritual person, my lord.
outer ki public spirited
Public spiritual person and protecting forest, my lord.
spiritual
And
public spirited ki public spiritual
public spiritual.
spiritual और बाबा से की
Note 4/57 of 24.
that is pending before the tahsildar
That was disposed by this Hon'Ble Madam.
ओपीएल कैसे कोर्ट कैसे डिस्पोज करिवो और तहसीलदार करिवो ना
By other means, my lord.
तहसीलदार करिवो सर ओपीएल
Yes, Procedural was directed to dispose of this within.
तहसीलदार वाज डायरेक्टर से
Yes,
पता
ma'am.
तो मैं कहूँ
My lord,
तहसीलदार बड़ा ये
But that was separate case.
कौन हम चाहूचंती
My lord, the community center may not be demolished.
कौन चाहूचंती आपण मैनर भी डेमोलिश में बुझी गली
Madam.
आपण कौन चाहूचंती
We have-
लीगली कोंतु
Madam.
सादा कथा कहली
We have represented before the Tahsil.
रिप्रेजेंटेशन रे काम होई नहीं ओपीएल एक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन रो नो रूल एबे टिके आगर कहतली रिप्रेजेंटेशन जमाना खत्म
My
पूरा एक्शन अंडर एप्लीकेशन सेक्शन कहबे सब
My lord,
ओ सेक्शन रे कोन करबे कोंतु
Madam.
कोंतु
What happened, my lord? The entire villagers used the same house.
जानि छै कथा जे आपण कोन रेमेडी कोन आपण को पई कोंतु
Their house may not be demolished.
फिर से कथा मेनोडी तापे तो गोटे लॉ रे रेमेडी थिबो ना
My lord.
हां रेमेडी को सेक्शन रे से रेमेडीटा अछि कोंतु
Well, this honorable court has not
Honorable court no power at all मु कहि
direct.
ना मते रेमेडी कोंतु सेक्शन कोंतु मु कहि ऑर्डर पास करि show me the section under which section you can be protected कोंतु को सेक्शन रे आपन प्रोटेक्शन दिया जाय परिबो सेक्शन न कले केनि करि
Next,
कोंतु सेक्शन
next week I will.
ना 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 एबे कहबी नेक्स्ट वीक छुट्टी नहीं पूरा एबे कहबी राउडी की सेक्शन रे कहबी ना नेक्स्ट वीक टू टाइम देबी you tell me on which section it can be protected
Lords, in fact, under
Let them
OPLE
settle-
Act,
let them settle it in favor of the
Lordship, there is already a direction of the High Court. Now, if your Lordship may come to page 16, my Lords, I'll just place 2 paragraphs of that previous order.
I'm not on that I'm on the which under which section he can be protected that's the only thing I want
My Lords, they are seeking, under OPLE Act, no provision is applicable to them for protection, your Lordship. The case was initiated by some other person sitting at the community center, which they are seeking protection of from demolition, that is obstructing someone else's ingress and egress from their house. Therefore, an order was passed, which is at page 17, which directed the conclusion of the OPLE case, my Lords.
that's why OPL case is pending
That is pending, your Lordship.
that
Let the OPLE case be decided, my Lords.
third go to the matter case OPL case रा pending केते नंबर अछि OPL case number केते
My Lords, 4/57 of 2024.
24 which is pending before the tahsildar
Telkoi, ma'am.
Telkoi district
Keonjhar.
Keonjhar hala and the said tahsildar is directed to is requested to dispose of the same within a period of 2 months from the date of presentation of the order disposal till the matter is taken up by the tahsildar no coercive action shall be taken against सर सबुर सेक्शन अछि ओपीएल रे सबुर सेक्शन अछि बिना सेक्शन रे किछि होबनी
हेलो आइटम टोटल ओपीएल केस नंबर टा 46 और 42 लिखे है तू बोल अरे को टाइप
मिस्टेक आमे भूल करबी तारे आपण आगे आगे भूली छी कहबी
देखि 46 ना 46
जाओ गुड सेंस प्रिवेंट इन टाइम लगे 46 कर दो 21 तो
21 था
नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम
Item 23.
23.
This matter may be taken up along with writ petition number 21251 of 2024, my lords.
What?
251 of 2024, my lords. No, PLE, my lords.
Pass kar da, say order to
So, taken up maybe my senior will taken up Monday, my senior will appear, my lords.
Senior level se order pass karbi, junior level se order pass karbi. Kaun ta diga hai wo? Wo court senior.
No, my lords, that's
Rather they will get better.
my lords, not all. My lords, the petitioner's status is that of a slum dweller.
Who are you?
My lords, I'm a slum dweller, my lords.
Where is slum?
My lords. My lords,
Which place?
my lords.
Slum dweller in which area?
Puri, my lords.
Puri.
My lords.
Okay, then what?
My lords, the opposite parties have issued a land registration certificate. My lords, I was given the LRC, my lords, and I am in possession of the property by constructing a house over there over a area of 270 square foot, my lords. My lords, that is what my lords, that is the confusion, my lords. I have been given plot number 203, but inadvertently it has been mentioned in the land registration certificate that it is 213. But my lords, I have approached the Tahsildar, and even the collector, who is the authority under the Slum Dwellers Act to take the decision, he also directed the Tahsildar to inquire and take decision. But in my lords, but in fact, instead of doing that, he is proceeding under OPL, my lords.
The petitioners that filed the present petition challenging the order dated 11/1/2024 passed by the opposite party number 3 in encroachment appeal number 34 of 2023, confirming the order dated 8/9/2022 passed by the opinion number 4 in encroachment case number 5 by eviction of person. One sentence should express one idea. It should not write long sentence. Please, for God's sake. That is, it will help in future. He style good sentence 5 line sentence. And case number 25 for eviction of the from the restricted land. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that the petitioner is a slum dweller and has been allotted the disputed land, that is plot number 203 under the 2000 the Odisha Land Right to Slum Dwellers Act 2017. But it has been erroneously mentioned as 213 in the land rights certificate issued to the petitioner. The wrong mentioning of the plot number has created the confusion, and accordingly, the Tahsildar Puri has invoked the OPL Act for eviction of the present petitioner. Full stop. Without going to the case, the Tahsildar Puri is directed to rectify the certificate, land rights certificate, the plot number in the land rights certificate, and accordingly reissue the land rights certificate in favor of the present petitioner within 15 days from today.
My lords, if such a direction is given, my lords, because if your lordship may take page 17, the case of state is that, my lords, in fact, 203 has been allotted in their favor, your lordship. And that is for your lordship. In fact, 213 has been. No,
I'm there on 2 and 3. They are saying
213, your lordship. 213 has been allotted, and that is why this appellate order has been passed.
I have already that the procedure is that the plot, my lords. Plot. I have constructed a house over there. But Pradhan Mantri Awas, under the scheme that I have also been granted, my lords.
Yes, bad money.
My lords. Lords, if your lordship may take. The land is different, your lordship.
And maybe
The
different.
nature of the land is different, my lords. Both of the lands.
But he has been staying there for such a long time. He has spent money, and government has given him money for.
The lordship may protect him. I'll file my counter then, your lordship. If that order will be very lordship.
Since the Lord Constitutional State submit that the petitioner has already been allotted the plot number 2013 under the land right certificate wherein plot number 213 has been issued to the present petitioner. Hence, the continuation of the present petitioner at plot number 203, where he has already constructed his house, is wrong. Full stop. In view of the confusion, let Land Council for the state 1 week time to file his counter, and till the next date of hearing, no coercive action shall be taken against the present petition. Okay. But just tell you that, Tahsildar,
My lord.
a person has already been, he has been staying there for such a long time. He has spent money, invested money in raising a house. So why should unnecessarily be given to another plot?
And also the my lord, the boundary which has been mentioned in the land right certificate, that relates to plot number.
Size the same, na?
My lord, size is same, my lord. Size is same, my lord. And in fact, the boundary which has been mentioned in the land right certificate, that relates to plot number 203, not 213, my lords.
I'll get instruction.
What area?
270 square foot, my lords.
70 square feet is small.
My lords, my lords.
Lordship.
Tell that why unnecessary after him?
I'll get the
Should
instruction.
you give property to the come sakti. Unnecessary tell that no coercive action. Please the matter on 9th September. Next.
Item 25.
25.
May I please your lordship, my lord? I am Vishiyat Puri, my lord. I am Vishiyat Puri, my lord.
None appears.
My lord, may I please your lordship, my lord? May I please your lordship, my lord?
Oh, ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କଣ ପୁରୀ ଶିଫ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲେ କି ଆଜିକାଲି?
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଆଜି
ନା ଆଜି ଆପଣ ତ ସବୁଦିନ ସେଇଠି ଦେଖା ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଆଉ। ସେଟା ପୁରୀ ଲୟର ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି, ଓଡିଶା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଲୟର ପାଇଁ ନୁହେଁ।
ସାର୍ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୁ ରଖିଲେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ରହିଯାଉଛି ତ ରହିଯାଉଛି। ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ରହୁଛି ତ ରହୁଛି।
ହଉ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
The case is like this, my lord. Only occurred on 3/5/19. The petitioner's thatched house was completely also destroyed as per the Hon'Ble, my lord. And accordingly, the verification was made by the RI and Hon'Ble of the Tahsil Puri, my lord. And the Hon'Ble assistant, rupees 95,000, also settled to be disbursed in his favor, my lord. Accordingly, in his account, said amount was deposited. Petitioner
slow जानतु sir, slow जानतु. English is beautiful when it is spoken very slowly.
So far 95,000 Hon'Ble assistant amount already.
Just let, if I understand properly, after the first survey, they have deposited how much?
95,000.
95,000.
In the account of the present petitioner.
Okay, then what happened?
And then he has withdrawn only near about 15,000 for purchasing bricks. But he came to know that all other amount being blocked by the Tahsildar, he is not able to withdraw, my lord.
तार reason कौन मैं कोई भी आपण घर ही मांगी न थी आपण बिना घर
verification spot
चाला फला टी उड़ी जेथे आपण 95 के दिन कोई नहीं गेले
spot verification हला RI report देले टंका मो अकाउंट रे डिपॉजिट हला
RI रिपोर्ट दियंती ना RI माने केते प्रकार रिपोर्ट दोचंती गांधी मुंडा रे रिपोर्ट दियंती गांधी मुंडा रे रिपोर्ट दिया आइछि एटा
तेणु मोर रेस्पोंस सबमिशन एनएक्स 3 मध्ये मु कलेक्टर हाइलाइट कर रिपेंशन देछि
व्हाट इज योर आंसर
Hello.
You have the
Looks there must have been a second inquiry is what my we just come for the first time, Manoj. I'll take it.
Let him take his the state to take instruction. Place the matter on 19 September. Let him take instruction. You got the copy?
Yes.
Second inquiry हिथियो second inquiry किछि नथिबो क्या हो जे आजकल बहुत टेस्टिंग टाके पैसा नै फर्स्ट इनक्वायरी पैसा दे पड़ी दिन
No.
आउ तापर संगे संग विड्रॉ भी कर दियंती एडा लकीली 15,000 विड्रॉ करछि बाकी रहि छि I know. Initially, I have passed many wrong orders also. I would say wrong order because the advantage when I realized it scam chalchi, a big scam. Then I stopped. I didn't issue again. Initially, I was under the impression that it is genuine hitio. But a big scam, huge scam. I got out of Kalagata, the Pocha Chapter. पैसा नहीं जीतिबे पछे देखला बेलू छात घर सब अच्छी आसी बेलू पछे सेकंड राउंड आइला बेलू काटी दउछंती सेमती आइछि आंग केस रे आगो
सर मोर रिटेंशन पेंडिंग अछि ताकू भी कंसीडर करना
सर कौन देखो हमको पता है सर
मोर रिटेंशन
let him get the report next
Item 26.
26
May I please, your lordship? Your lord, the petitioner has been possessing a small patch of land, my lord.
is Adivasi
The copy has not been served. Copy will be served.
Adivasi
No, Adivasi, general look.
kete small patch mane kete area
2 decimil, my lord.
2 decimal
Aye. More than 25.
850.
okay so
More-
code
Koraput.
town re
Koraput.
town re now
Nearer to Koraput. That is under Koraput Tahsil.
no I'm asking the rural area na Koraput town
No, no, Koraput municipality area.
municipality
Aye.
what happened
More than 25 years, my lord. Encroachment proceeding was initiated.
Okay,
In that
let-
case, I have approached.
you approach the settlement
Yes, settlement application was there,
Ah.
but that was not considered on the ground that the IRI
petitioner
has
has approached
final order appeal has been.
the petitioner has approached the Tahsildar Koraput under and filed EC number 3 of 2024
Yes.
ଏବେ ତ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ and the same they said the case is pending before
That is
the-
already disposed of.
Disposed of.
कौन
Appeal provision is there.
appeal जानतो appeal रे
Again, but
why have you come here
that part was not considered and RI has not given any report.
you file the appeal
Yes.
the appeal under section 12 file we filed before the sub collector
Koraput.
till the matter is taken up by the sub collector Koraput.
Till my interim application is taken.
There shall not be any coercive action like
Yes.
Next.
Lordship may direct a copy may be served.
Give a copy.
Yes.
Next.
27.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the President District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission to act in terms with the direction dated 15/7/2024.
So why should I direct the district consumer forum?
My lord, this is because the state commission has directed. The district forum has, my lord, directed for transfer of, my lord, cases to elsewhere. He doesn't have the power to transfer such cases. Section
Who has
4
the power? to
only the
transfer?
state commission has the power,
Who has the state commission has given?
has
So
directed.
the state commission, why didn't you
No, my lord, who
approach?
have approached the state commission.
Why
has-
should you should have approached the state commission?
I approached the state commission and state commission, my lord, under annexure 4, page 18, by order dated 15/7/2024, again directed the district commission to dispose the case at his level in accordance with the mandate as laid down in the Consumer Protection Act.
ठीक हो जाए कौन बोलेगा?
But, my lord, he is not taking any action, neither he is taking up the cases.
Had if that you can file some contempt.
The contempt power, there is no contempt power of the state commission.
You can approach the state commission.
Again, I have approached, my lord, that he is not taking up in spite of the direction.
अवश्य स्टेट कमिशन कौन ला आसिक हाई कोर्ट काई बुझियो कथा स्टेट कमिशन बुझियो
Because, my lord, under article 227, my lord,
226 सब हबो
227, my lord,
227 एटे किछि हबो there is a special statute for this statute कहला they have a you have your district forum state forum national forum the state forum you can approve the state forum
but your lordship, kindly see for a moment.
everybody is coming to the 226 for
Annexure 14, my lord. Annexure 14, page 18. Like 35 cases here directed by transfer where he has no power. And state commission
Annexure
order.
14 का annexure 14 I don't find it.
Annexure 4, my lord. Page 18. 24 numbers of consumer complaint cases and 11 numbers of education be
This is
disposed
not
of.
the way to file this consumer case. Page and Honorable Dilip Kumar Mahapatra, Honorable President, एंतिकरी की application दिए consumer forum रे, state consumer forum रे application लिखला बड़े. Why should you entertain this kind of application? तमे तो पूरा properly application file करिवो जदी कोर्ट रे फाइल करा ये गोटे रिप्रेजेंटेशन देला बळा लिखिछि काई से कोर्ट रे ऑडिट करिवो से फोपड़ी देथिबो file proper application they will consider. This is not the way application. See, ଏଇଟାକୁ ପୁରା ସେ କଣ ଇଏ ତାର administrative authority ଯେମିତି application ଛାଡ଼ିବ file properly.
But annexure 4, your lordship, may kindly see page 18. This is a direction of the state commission to the district president. Disposed of at your level as per the provisions of the Correctional Protection Act 1986, Act 2019, and rules and regulations from thereunder. So as per section 38(7), my lord, these cases have to be disposed of within 3 months. For which common litigants are suffering, my lord. That's why I approached your lordship.
The petitioner approaches this court seeking a direction to the President District Consumer Dispute Resolution Commission, Sambalpur, to act in terms with letter dated 15/7/2024, State Consumer Dispute Resolution Commission, Odisha, and to dispose of the case within the time stipulated in the Consumer Protection Act. Further, the petitioner prays for a preferred. Though this court doesn't wish to interfere in a matter which is governed by Consumer Protection Act, which has clearly delineated the provision for different forum. However, considering the use of the present petition, and unnecessary harassment due to the action of the District Consumer Redressal Commission, Sambalpur, this court deem it appropriate to interfere in the matter and directs the District Consumer Forum to act in terms of the letter 15/7/2024 issued by the Secretary State Consumer Redressal Commission, Odisha. During this period. Next.
28 is also same.
Same. 29.
29.
Please, Your Lordship. This is under the OPL Act, my lord. The notice served on 27/6/2024 under annexure 1, my lord, to fixing the date to 4/7/2024 to file show cause. On the very day when we appear and file a time petition to seeking some more time, on very days the case has been disposed of and form Kha has been issued and the penalty has been levied. We have already paid the penalty.
When was the show cause issued to you?
27/6/2024, page 9.
And when did you approach?
On 4/7, the date was fixed on 4/7/2024. Only 7 days time, my lord. Whereas the Act said is a reasonable time must be given to the noticee. But here only.
What is the reasonable time?
Minimum.
Can be 7 days, can be 10 days.
Maybe
It is not
15
up
days.
to 2-3 days. 7 days is not a reasonable time.
But the notice is issued on 27/6, fixing 4/7.
4/7 is
The 7 days only in between.
Is it show cause only?
So goes, but
So you file your reply, you should have filed your reply in time.
we have appeared on 4/7, my lord.
But you should have filed the reply in time, sir. Appearance
For-
may be there.
On
It
the
is only
4/7,
show cause.
we have got at least maximum 3 to 4
7
days.
You could have filed your reply. What
We
is
have
it?
pray for a adjournment, but there no
Why should
adjournment.
they adjourn? Why should he adjourn? The common adjournment, you should have filed a reply.
Is the principle of natural justice
Not
should have given us a
principle,
date.
complete 7 days time given. you are
7 days
asking
time
for-
between two notice and order, my lord. 7 days time between notice and order. And when there is no clear cut that when the notice was served upon.
There must be some receipt, there must be there.
Must-
Receipt ହେଇଛି କେବେ?
Milord?
Receipt କେବେ ହେଇଛି? ତମ ଆପଣଙ୍କ side ରେ receipt କେବେ ହେଇଛି? କେବେ receipt ହେଇଛି?
The instruction.
No, it must be there in your this thing.
No, my lord.
Time दिया होगी, just people unnecessarily they create.
It's only 7 days, my lord.
7 days sufficient. Is it not reasonable time?
No, my lord.
7 days is reasonable time. Code reasonable time define code is.
Reasonable.
Only 7 days, 15 days reasonable time.
Yes, my lord.
3 दिन reasonable time. Reasonable
No.
time is defined in 7 days reasonable time. Of course,
Notice,
reasonable time.
notice issued on 27/6. He signed. He signed. The Tahsildar has signed on 27/6.
Correct.
So it must have been served upon very next day.
Section 27, 28, 29, 30.
Oh, 7 days. On the 7th day, he has fixed. But, my lord, on the very day, it could not have been served.
File a reply, na? Why didn't you file a reply?
My lord, on the 27th, it is signed, means it could not have been served on 27. It must be on 28 or 29. So where is the 7 days, my lord? The in between the date, my lord, it is only 7 days. From call and call.
Sufficient time is given, whether you accept or don't accept, it is up to you. But 7 days has been given to you.
And my lord, on the very day we appear, on the very same day, he has passed the order of eviction.
You have not filed a reply, what to do?
Then they can file appeal against this also.
No, how can do without any?
You can file appeal.
My lord,
Under 12(1).
12, my lord, we will approach the Tahsildar, my lord, to file. My lord, which order against we will go to? Because on the very day he has passed, we don't have any ground to file an appeal.
Why? You have.
You must have done the pleading without pleading.
That he has passed order on the same day.
Yes, same day.
What is the order?
He has not given us the order. He has given us the form page 10, my lord.
What is form call?
Form eviction,
Eviction.
eviction notice.
Challenge that eviction.
Yes.
Notice cannot be challenged, my lord, in the appeal. It has to be an order.
The notice you can challenge before this Tahsildar.
Tahsildar, with that, yeah, will observation, my lord.
10 days time is granted. Petitioner to approach the Tahsildar.
Sub-collector, your lord.
Yes, sir.
No,
No,
sub-collector.
appeal to sub-collector.
So they will have to file appeal only here because the Tahsildar has already taken a decision. And 12(1) says that any decision of the Tahsildar.
Ah, you're right.
But my lord, where is the order? They are not supplying us the order.
Supply order, magan to order.
Nahi, तांको पाके से form दे दी कि already they have taken fine of 1,000 rupees, my lord. Next page 11. And the very day of appearance he has filed.
Let your Tahsildar to file a reply on this.
Lodge.
Let the Tahsildar file a reply. Till that time, no proceedings. Tahsildar order ta kahin supply karibani? Order dosi order
Lodge must have been supplied. Take the instruction, your lodge.
Just take instruction.
Well.
Supply karte wala, I will impose
Yes,
10,000 cost on your client.
Yes, my lord.
Let the Tahsildar. Next. No persecution till the next date of hearing. List the matter on 18. Tahsildar, I don't know. So, as one of plan of procedure, jaha ichha taha mon ichha kodi. Time ta bani janu. Minimum 15 days time deba katha. 4 दिन 5 दिन time de do issue karo jaha ichha taha order pass kodi. Can't be like this. Let the Tahsildar file the reply.
Malach.
If necessary, I can call him over BC. Will join. Next.
Item 30. Yes, my lord.
30.
Lordship, kindly come to annex 1, page 13, my lord.
In the system 9.
Yes. The petitioners are the members. And the Koni Kohu just. Let me yes, I am placing the matter. My lord. The petitioners are the members of Rajdhani.
Kindly come to connector 1. First issue come to. Annexer 1 kindly come to annexer 1. Key presentation. Issue come.
The petitioners are the members of Rajdhani Mati Murti Seasonal Business Union. And at the instance of Zonal Commissioner Bhubaneswar Municipality Southeast Zone, then they've been allotted with that order for a temporary that Ganesh Murti yeso Murti tayari konte and weekly around 40 days konte tangara entire year way. And they have taken some receipt, token of money. In Lordship, on 6 June 2024, that Zonal Commissioner issued with the order to continue with the same. And by the annexure 2, page 18, they have repented to there to saying that some steps we are working as since 2001, almost more than 20 years lapse. Now, no notice, nothing of the sort. Now the BMC is bent about to remove from the set.
Where is it?
You know that.
Which place?
My lord, that Bhubaneswar State Bank, Unit 1, Bapuji Nagar, Bhubaneswar. my lord.
ମେନ୍ ଜାଗାରେ ଆପଣ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ବସି କେତେ ଏରିଆ
Temporary business.
ହେଲା
जो temporary set କରିକି
ହଉନି କି ସରକାରୀ ତ ଜାଗା ନା ଆପଣ ଥୋଡି ନିଜ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ
ଜାଗା।
ଜୋନାଲ କମିଶନର ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି ଆମ ପରମିଶନ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ୱିକଲି
ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କେତେ ଜାଗା
ଜାଗା କିଛି ମେନସନ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍
ଜାଗା
ଟେମ୍ପୋରାରୀ
କିଛି ଆପଣ ପଚାରିଥାନ୍ତେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ କେତେ ଜାଗା ନେଇଛି ବୋଲି ପଚାରିଥାନ୍ତେ
Annexure 1 page 13 no place nothing
ଲୋକ ଭାବେ ଯିବେ
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର 1 ନମ୍ବର ମାର୍କେଟ ଯୋଉ ମାର୍କେଟ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ ଷ୍ଟେଡିୟମ ପାଖରେ
କରନ୍ତୁ କି ଆଉ କଣ ଭଗବାନ କରନ୍ତୁ
Annexure 1 page 13 my lord
କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
if you are obstructing the people
no that is the condition if at all any construction even obstruction is made without a notice nothing is to be said that will be removed
ଟିକେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
if you are obstructing the people passage of the people definitely they will evict you
no that is the condition no obstruction yearly 40 days ଖଣ୍ଡେ ମାତ୍ର କାମ କରୁ ସେଠି
ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଜାଗା ତ ଆବରିକି ରଖିଛନ୍ତି 40 days କାମ କଲେ କଣ ହେଲା ଜାଗା ତ ଆପଣ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଆବରିକି ରଖିଲେ ହଁ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଅସୁବିଧା ତ ହେଲା ଆଉ 40 days କରନ୍ତୁ 30 ଦିନ କରନ୍ତୁ
The temporary idols of selling of
temporary ହେଲା,
Saraswati
ଜାଗା ତ
idols
ଧରିକି ରଖିଲେ ନା
in front of SBI main branch unit 1
in
Bapuji
front of
Nagar
SBI
Bhubaneswar
ଜାଗା ଦେଖିଛି ସେ ଜାଗା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି
Yes.
ହଁ ଯୋଉ 1 ନମ୍ବର
Ma-
ମାର୍କେଟ
ଏକ number market.
ହଁ ବେର ଆଉ ଏଇ ଜାଗାଟା ଏତେ ଭିଡଭାଡ ରାସ୍ତା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପୁରା એકદમ ଛାଡିଦେବେ ଆଉ ଉଠେଇବେନି
ଗୋଟେ yearly hardly 25 ରୁ 30 ଦିନ ଖଣ୍ଡେ କାମ
ଯେତେ ଦିନ ଦିନେ ବି ଅଧା ଘଣ୍ଟା ବି କରନ୍ତୁ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ତ ଅବଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ନା 25 ଦିନ
That is one of the condition. If any obstruction is
ରାଇଟ୍
made,
ଯେମିତି ପୁରା ଆପଣ ନିଜ ଜାଗାରେ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି ଦୂରିଆ ଯାଇକିରି ଆଉ ସରକାର ଜାଗାରେ କହିବେ ଆଉ ଆମେ 30 ଦିନ କରନ୍ତୁ 40 ଦିନ କରୁ ଏମିତି କହିଲେ ହବ you must satisfy them
no, here the zonal commission yellow 6 to 2024 zonal commissioner issued with temporary arrangement କରିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତି and they have been we are paid with some rent to them.
Where is the notification for notice for eviction
No notice my lord.
ତ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ
No notice nothing my lord.
କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ
Annexure to page 18 for which the entire members have repented to the commissioner of revenue. ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବେସିସରେ ଆପଣ କଡା ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ
notice ନାହିଁ କିଛି
ସିଧା
no notice nothing my lord.
ସିଧା କାଢିଦେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନା କାଢି ନାହାନ୍ତି they are taking steps to evict from
ଲଙ୍ଗଳା ଲଙ୍ଗି ଆସୁ ପାଣି ଆସୁ ତାପରେ ଲଙ୍ଗଳା ହେବେ ଆଗରୁ ଲଙ୍ଗଳା ହେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ଆମେ 2001 ରୁ ସେଠି କାମ କରୁଛୁ ବର୍ଷକୁ ମାତ୍ର 40 ଦିନ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ହୁଏ around 40 days.
representation disposal କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ though I hate this representation
Yes.
disposal business
No no
but
I am cautious of this one. I am cautious of this one.
that the representation of the present petition will be disposed of within a period of 10 days from date of presence of the order and dispose of jantu next
No, till then you are say that.
till then କିଛି ନାହିଁ
Till then I still protected my lord. Till then till a decision is taken.
till the decision is taken the petitioner shall not be disturbed
Much.
but that is a dangerous order till then ଆପଣ
Sir 2001 ରେ ତା ଦେହରେ ଆମେ କାମ 2001 ରୁ
ଯେବେଠୁ କରନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ why are ସେଇ
ସେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନିଜ ଜାଗା ଥୋଡି
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର municipality ଆମକୁ permission ଦଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଚଲେଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖ within 3 days the municipality ଆଜି ବି order ଦେଖ ଏବେ ଫଟାଫଟ
that
municipality order କିଏ ଅଛି council ରହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ municipal council କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ 3 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ decide କରୁଛି ଉଡେଇ ଦେବେ ଏଟା ଆପଣ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିବେ ଆପଣ ବିଦା କରିବେ ସିଧା ଏଟା ବେଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ସିଧା ସିଧା ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନା municipality କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି municipality ଆପଣ କିଏ municipality ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ନେଇକି ଆସିଲେ ଏବେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
କାହାକୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କିଏ କେମିତି କାହା କହିବେ
ଏବେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିବେ ଆପଣ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଜାଣିବେ municipal council କୁ ନେଇକି
that we pray if lordship want
The BMC Mr. Ishwar Manti appears. I'll inform him. I'll inform him.
ईश्वर को डाकिए just call him give a call let him take it
yes
3 दिन भीतर खत्म कर मंडे भीतर आपन काम सर
at least
at least
ए जो 15 days ना सती रहो at least let them take a decision let the BM commission
टेम्पररी जगह कोची तो किछि तो घर द्वार बनिनी
ने घर घर नहीं
छाड़ देबे
से BMC commission will repent कोच grievance ता जणी जो let him take it only 15 days till then at least
तांकू कहले से जल्दी से टेकअप हबो हेति में कहूची 3 दिन भीतर टेकअप 5 दिन भीतर आपन
that total will remain yourship let that within 15 days let him take a decision till then
7 days to take decision
10 days so let it be 10 days
7 days take 7 days to decide the reproduction hala until 7 till the decision is taken to procedural next
item 31
वो जगह माने माड़ी माड़ी बसी लोक खाली आसिक एठी कोर्ट को पळे आसिक समझ बकुआ next
petition is the secretary of the Durgapur Vidyapita.
secretary of
Durgapur Vidyapita, that is a high school. Has filed this writ application challenging the notice issued under Kho, under annexure.
ଆପଣ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଜାଗାରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସ୍କୁଲ
ନା ସେଟା ଗୋଚର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଗାଁ ଗୋଚର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
ହେଲା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଜାଗା ତ ଗୋଚର
ସେଇଟା ହେଇଛି
ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
from 1992 this school is established and
ଜାଗା ତ ତାଙ୍କର ନା
right. ଗାଁ ଜାଗାରେ ସେଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲଟା ଅଛି ଆଉ
what is your response?
My lords, as per lordship section 7, clause 2 proviso A, your lordship, it says that no settlement can be made if the lands belong to any of the following categories. The first is your lordship's lands recorded as gochar. My lords, 7.2 proviso, your lordship may kindly take. First proviso, my lords, A. No settlements shall be made if land belongs to any of the following categories. Lands recorded as gochar. Because gochar land as per the
ଗୋଚର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ବି ହେଇପାରିବନି
ନା ସେଟା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ has taken a
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ପଲିସି ଡିସିସନ ନେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଚର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ ଘର ଦେବେ କୋଉଠି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କୋଉ ପଲିସି ଡିସିସନ ନେଇଛି
ସରକାର ଜମିରେ ଏବେ allotment କରିବେ
they'll have to apply for conversion of the land first under OGLS. My lords.
follow the procedure.
The annex of 5 is issued by your lordship. Annex of 5.
Another issue how you could have applied for conversion of the land and all that whatever.
Now that they will take immediate steps to evict my lord's school.
You take instruction.
I'll take it.
You'll let release the matter on 11th September. Okay. Next.
32.
32.
In manner, item 32, I am for sub item 2 and 3. I am for the petition.
What is the issue?
Lord, I am.
You must be asking for time, I know. Right? Who is your senior? Let him come. He will take it. Next.
Item 33.
33.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. Raghunath Das Mahapatra, kindly we give 2-3 days for defect remove.
Defect remove any?
Yes. No, sir.
The petitioner is granted 1 week time to remove the defect. List the matter after. Next.
34.
34.
Your lordships. That the petitioner said the benevolent persons of the village Lakshminagar under
Who?
the public spirited persons there.
Public spirit
Yes, yes.
ज्यादा नहीं तो नंबर तो बढ़े नहीं
They-
कौन है ला
They have
पब्लिक स्पिरिट तो ठीक
person has filed
कौन है
the some ଦି ଜଣ ଲୋକ actually ଗୋଚର land ଟାକୁ encroach କରିଦେନି. They are constructing some house.
the state to take report of the Tahsildar. Which Tahsildar?
Tahsildar is Jashpur Road.
Jashpur Road.
Sorry, my lord, I am just.
Tahsildar Jashpur Road.
Tahsildar Rasulpur. Rasulpur and of the Jashpur district. Rasulpur.
Till the next step, no pursuit action. अब किसी pursuit action नहीं खाली comment আছে ঠিক আছে let him get 19 let him file the report of the Tahsildar regarding the encroachment of the gochar land in the village. Next.
35.
35.
An eviction notice has been issued against the present petitioner by the OP number 3.
Who are you?
Eviction notice has been issued.
Who are you?
I am the petitioner.
मुझे जाना आज petitioner लोग जानने की अपना किए बचर चाहिए अपना encroacher encroacher ना
That is the adjacent plot of the petitioner, your lordship.
ठीक है तो अपना encroacher नहीं
सेटा आमे जिबा आसिया करछु रास्ता पे आरडी रोड को कनेक्टिविटी टा अछि आम प्लॉट को लागि कि आरडी रोड टा अछि तो सेटा आमे जिबा आसिया करछु 60-70 वर्ष होला से माने एविक्शन करछन ओनली 4 डिसमिल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट लैंड
आपण को घर मैं ये बुझिली नि कोन कहबे चाहती आपण को घर अछि
माइनर
हां जो रोड कनेक्टिंग रोड टू द मेन रोड सेटा एनक्रोच हिची
यस योर
You are not encroacher.
No.
You are complaining against the encroachment.
No, no, eviction notice has been issued against me, Your Lordship.
Against me, you why?
That is se plot रे आमे जिबा आसिया करछु by the way to connect to the RD road, Your Lordship.
अब आप annexer आपनको जो कराइछि आपण गवर्नमेंट प्लॉट रे बनैछि घर सेटा कहू नांती
नहीं गवर्नमेंट प्लॉट रे घर नहीं है
अरे फिर केंदे आपण एनक्रोच कले उठेले तार
नोटिस कर से रास्ते रे आमे जाउछु रोड को
जिबा आसिया कला लो काहे आपण उठेबु
दैट इज फैक्ट
ठीक कर कोन दु भलो करे read it properly.
Then application has been made also to the तहसीलदार बाहर
केस ता फर्स्ट बुझांतु मते तापर एप्लीकेशन करथि आपण तो घर रहिला आपण से गुटे बाट देखि जाउछंती बाट आपण बाट चलले से बाट आपण काई उठेबे
से दी नोटिस टा करछथि पर नोटिस हैज बीन इश्यूड 2000
मंडे या फाइल पढी ना आसी रीड इट प्रॉपर्ली इनकम फॉलो पढी गयो केस टा कोन कोइ परनाती रीड इट प्रॉपर्ली है ना ट्यूजडे कर दिस आउट एक्स्ट्रा टाइम अरे बुल्ली चक्कर काटले हबनी फाइल पढी पढले बुझिबो ना खाली चक्कर काट दो आसी कोर्ट भीतर हटा दो एकदम उबा ही जीवो किंदे आसी नेक्स्ट
item 36
My Your Lords. This is an encroachment matter. Petitioner is a landless and a member of a scheduled caste for community.
Who district?
District Ganjam. Buguda area.
Buguda. You are the Adivasi. Adivasi.
Yeah.
Naik could Adivasi. Naik Adivasi. More Adivasi.
Horizon.
वो ना दे हरिजन आदि मु जानि को जाते हैं कर्नल को जाते
हरिजन
नायक रा दिस
नहीं सर आदिवासी भी अछंती
एठी नाही मु तो कहली आपन को
नहीं एते हरिजन
तो कोन हला
जे portion of government land has been encroached by this man.
Portion माने केते
30 decimal.
30 decimal.
Agricultural land, my lord, agricultural land. Agriculture. Agricultural. साढ़े 7 चाष कर मांडिया चाष करके आते
हरिजन 7 गुंठ
around 10,000 square feet.
हाँ बड़ा एरिया टा छोटो प्लॉट रोड कोछि
रूरल एरिया में
सेठी गोटे MIP टैंक अछि सेठी लागि तांकर ये if your lordship will come to page 12
आपण तो गरीब लोक तो कहै न आपण बहुत
landless
पाड़ी में से
landless and scheduled caste also
तो मु कोन करबी
my lord what happened my lord the tahsildar evicted him by filing order. Eviction order has been passed by the Tahsildar. Against that order, he filed one appeal before the sub-collector, Bhanjanagar. The sub-collector passed an order that he cannot be evicted from the land until and unless you provide an alternative land. Because he is a landless scheduled caste person, he has no other alternative to survive, to maintain his life. So a direction was given to Tahsildar to within a period of 1 month, you settle a piece of land, alternative land to the petitioner. But the order was passed in the year 1984. This is the year 2024. 41 years passed, but the order was not implemented. The sub-collector's order was not implemented.
41 तक कोड सुइतले यदि पास हला से ऑर्डर ताला को यदि न हला
my lord, more आउ किछि
कलेक्टर को लिखले
नहीं सर मो लिखिछि ये लिखिछि जे मो सेवरल टाइम से अप्रोच करी ना मो रिप्रेजेंटेशन my lord या काइंडली answer to is my
annexure 2 तो आपण 27/4/2024 से देले
24
41 वर्ष
नहीं मो सेथरे लिखि जे अप्रोच करी शेष को मो आपन को दउछि
गुटे तो देखंतु गुटे पुराना केबे एप्लाई करछि गुटे तो देखंतु एबे तो हठात निदा भांगिला सडनली 24 रे गुटे एप्लीकेशन देले सेवरल रे गुटे तो देखंतु
ନାଇଁ ସେମିତି ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ମୁଁ କିଛି ରଖିନି
ଏବେ ତ-
କେବଳ ଏବେ ଯୋଉ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟା ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ,
ଦେଇଛି
ଆପଣ
annexure କୁ
କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ତ
ନା କଣ ନଥାଏ ଯାହା ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଅଫ ମାଇ
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ
ଏ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲେସ୍ ପର୍ସନ
collector.
May
My
I
lord,
suggest,
my lord,
may I
my
suggest,
lord.
as the sub-collector has decided and given a direction to the Tahsildar, let the petitioner approach the Tahsildar first. He has never approached the Tahsildar.
What are you, have you gone through annexure 1? You
Yes, sir.
see annexure 1, what is there? Annexure,
Why should he approach the Tahsildar? Let him
Because
approach
the sub-collector has.
let him approach the collector. दिया हेलानी बोली collector को कहू सब से तो already ता order against से pass करची फिर ता पाक कहीं जीवो.
Because direction was issued to the Tahsildar. That's why he let
Direction
him.
issue जाता हूँ official copy आसे नहीं.
He has never approached me.
ସେ ନ କଲା ଆପଣ order କଲା ବେଳେ ସେଠୁ ଆସି ନଥିବ. ଆପଣ office ର internal communication ନଥିବ.
Order, usually the appeal order has not been. So it's like अच्छे तहसीलदार को approach करो तो first.
नहीं कहीं my lord rightly says collector is the
So you let the collector.
collector.
As your lordship.
Let the petitioner approach the district collector Ganjam, Chhatrapur by way of a representation. Along with the order passed by the sub-collector
In appeal number
in appeal number 33
34
of
by
2083,
33 by
and this collector shall take appropriate decision as in accordance with law within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of this order. And for-
connected case is there.
connected to the accountability.
ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କର ସେ ହେଇଛି ଦି ଜଣ schedule caste
Connected to this order.
same order but case number is different.
Obviously, this is different.
34.
First 33, second 34.
No coercive action should.
It's a fresh representation,
Fresh.
जोटा ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ.
No coercive action shall be taken.
କିଛି ଆପଣ coercive action ନେଇଛନ୍ତି?
No, ଅଛି possession ଅଛି still then
କିଛି ଆସିକି notice?
ନା ଆସିନି
ତାପରେ କାଇଁ?
ତାହେଲେ ଲେଖି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ.
Okay, in the meantime, the petitioner shall not be disturbed from the position of the land. Hello? Okay.
That is 7.
Till the matter, till decided by the collector. Next.
I am for the petitioner, your lordship. Here, my grievance is that your lordship. 37. Item 37. My grievance is that your lordship, on 17/7/2024, the opposite party authority, who are the municipality authority Bargad, they have marked my residential building for demolition, your lordship. They have not
They
given
only mark.
They have not given me any notice. They have not provided any opportunity of hearing.
They have
but
marked only, no?
your lordship, they
They
have
have
marked.
not demolished.
But your lordship,
Sometimes they, for getting how much government land has been encroached, they mark it. They might have marked it. What is the problem?
your lordship, my submission is that your lordship, in similar batch of matter, there were various batch of matter.
Forget
Your
the
lordship.
bag, ତମ କଥା କୁହ ଆଗ, ତମେ batch ଫେଚ୍
Why?
ଦେଇକି କଣ ମିଳିବ?
Your
ତମ
lordship,
କଥା କୁହ।
I am obliged. Your lordship,
Just
because
mark କରିଦେଲେ ତମ ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେଲେ କି?
because after the marking, various residential building has already been demolished. Therefore, similar batch of matter has already been pending before coordinate bench of this Hon'Ble court, where Hon'Ble court has stayed those action. I have that judgment copy.
ଆଉ coordinate ପାଇଁ ନା ଏଠିକି ସବୁ ଅଛି, ଆଉ coordinate ଫୋର୍ଡିନେଟ
So your lordship, my humble submission
ସେ
is that
ତମର
your
ଭିତରେ
lordship,
ସବୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଶୁଣିବ।
my humble
ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ
submission is
ଶୁଣିଲେ
that your
clear
lordship,
କରିଦିଅ, ଯାହା ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା କଥା ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଫଟାଫଟ।
they have
Let him
complete. Let him complete.
they have to give me a, opportunity of hearing. They have to provide me a notice before taking any coercive action. That is my humble submission, your lordship, because even if they held that some part of my land has been encroached or whatever their allegation is, they have to provide me an opportunity of hearing by providing me notice. Due process has to be followed. Even your lordship, if your lordship may
They have
see,
not given any notice.
no, your lordship.
Yes. They have not given.
Till today, no notice has been given. There is no scrap of paper. The petitioner will show that the land does not belong to government. The land is a private land. We have only demarcated the land, which is road, and we have demarcated land pursuant to order passed by this Hon'Ble court in different petitions. This Hon'Ble court has directed the municipality to give 15 days notice to the encroachers, and we have.
So they are not encroachers.
No, he is encroacher. He is encroacher, and there is no scrap of paper filed by the petitioner that the land belongs to him.
Kindly see page 11 schedule of land.
आज आपण
road in order to demolish the road
ठीक है ठीक है
for widen the road.
आपण एनक्रोच करछंती
Your Lordship, if
yes or no
Your
you are the encroacher yes or no
I may not.
you are the encroacher yes or no may not नहीं चलिबनी पूरा straight lawyer वाले आंसर
Your Lordship,
yes or no
Your Lordship, as per records of right, and just
Again,
if
I'm-
Your Lordship may give me
I'm-
2 minutes, I'll explain. I'll explain, Your
to
Lordship.
answer like a lawyer
Your Lordship,
answer like a common man yes or no
Your Lordship, as per my instruction, we are not encroacher.
and not encroacher
We are not
Okay.
encroacher.
so if you are not encroacher then why are you worried
Your Lordship, because they are, if they are marking my land,
marking that doesn't mean that they will demolish your land
Your Lordship, because law,
marking maybe sometimes suppose government is planning to widen the road maybe how much till what level it will go they will mark it if suppose your land is going to give you money for acquisition of that particular land and they will give you money maybe because of that
I'm making this submission because
now
Your-
sorry I am not entertaining
You-
this because you don't have anything to show me which order against I mean which is the order being challenged here
because Your Lordship, without giving any notice, I'll not be.
they have not
Because
done anything
in similar matter, they have demolished various residential plot. Therefore, Your Lordship, because Your Lordship, then
We have
I'll
only
be left-
demarcated. We have not issued notice.
I'll be
Till
left
today.
with no
Till-
remedy, Your Lordship.
Till 12:30 p.m. we have not
Because
issued.
as per their submission, that Honorable Court has given.
well, see, I'm passing one order. Like, the grievance of the petitioner is that the opposite party, municipality Burgad,
Your Lordship.
Yes, sir.
municipality Burgad is engaged in demarcating the land for widening the road.
Widening the road.
Demarcating the land for widening the road. And in that process, the petitioner's house has also been, house or bada?
House, Your Lordship, residential building is there.
House has also been demarcated by the municipality. Also. Since the municipality is ascertaining the extent of widening of the road and how far it can be widened, hence the demarcation of the land, the process of demarcation is going on. In that process, the petitioner is in no way getting affected. If at all the municipality requires to demolish any part of the encroached land, and any part of the land,
If it is
encroached,
Your Lordship.
if
Yeah.
encroached, the municipality shall give the encroacher at least 10 days notice before demolition. Hello?
But one thing, my lord, encroached land of the petitioner, and my submission is no document has been filed.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ବି ଲେଖୁଛି
No document has been.
If they provide me notice, I'll provide the document. Your Lordship.
Respect of the petitioner.
Land Council of the municipality, Mr. Panda submits that the petitioner has not been able to demonstrate that the petitioner's land is not an encroached land. And line
No document has been filed
and,
to
and,
indicate
and,
that
and there
the
is-
land belongs to him.
and he has not filed any document along with the writ petition to demonstrate that the land belongs to him.
Your Lordship, I have filed. I
Take
filed.
care, Rajantu.
Your Lordship. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
If any the demolition drive is to be initiated against the present petitioner for encroaching the land, the municipality to provide him 10 days window, 10 days notice, 10 days prior notice. I'll no further argument.
Well, 10 days notice for eviction.
Obviously.
And खाली 10 days कर देता for eviction.
eviction.
Your Lordship, I may small intervention, Your Lordship, because Your Lordship, a notice, first show cause notice has to be given.
अरे बाबा एते कथा ना 10 days notice देबे
notice
सीधा
for
पिला
eviction,
आ
because-
शोक जेते
because-
गप करनी आज आसिक एते प्ले करनी एठी पैसा
Lord-
वाला सब पळे आसी हाई कोर्ट रे यूजर
Your Lordship, this is.
We have drawn person to
पैसा
order first by
वाले
this
यहाँ के मिसयूज करते हैं बाकी गरीब लोग का पहले टूट देते
Your
हैं
Lordship, this is the.
Those
accident
who-
is occurring, every day accident is occurring.
Go, go.
We are
Your Lordship, section, if Your Lordship may kindly see section 254.
दिया गला बाकी से अपन बुझिबे हला खत्म
Your Lordship, then in that case, they will misuse this because
चोरी उसके
show
ऊपर
cause,
सिना
show
चोरी।
cause notice has to be given so that I may be able to provide the documents that are.
मारे सीधा उड़ेबे नो
Your Lordship, because this is the.
शोकज देबे म सरकारी जगह माडी बससा
Because this is the, this is the law, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship may kindly see section
Nothing doing.
254(2) of Municipality Act, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
nothing sorry next item nothing
Item 38.
जागा माडी की बसी
I'm-
ये दुनिया चला चल
I'm not coming in the way of Your Lordship widening of the road. Only
Purpose-
thing is that due process has to be followed. That is my.
free to demolish any encroached land khatam I
I'm
am not going to protect
I bow
anybody
down,
who is encroached.
Your Lordship, I bow down to that. Only the due process has to be followed.
Due
That is my.
process 10 दिन टाइम देला due process हला नहीं की आ
Because
कोन
show-
माला धर के जिबे बाबा
Show cause, because
followed by eviction notice is the challenge made before your lordship. So your lordship was pleased on the earlier occasion.
let him
asking-
take his
Yes, yes. Interim order
Okay,
is there.
next.
My lord, interim order is there. It is continue.
ठीक है इंटरव्यू कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट इज 10th
Little bit more time.
कौन करियो एते समय
आज शनिवार हे गेला 2 तारिख
शनिवार हला 10 तारिख तो देली
2 तारिख नो सोमवार हे
हां हला 2 तारिख आ एते दिन हला इंस्ट्रक्शन आनी कोटू आनी की
टांगी तहसील टांगी
टांगी पाखरे अछि
नहीं नहीं खोर्धा
खोर्धी वाला
खोर्धा
हां
के।
एटा भी केते दूर की मैं भी हार्डली इट विल 80 किलोमीटर की 70 किलोमीटर
Yes, your lordship.
ओके विल गेट इट टांगी तहसीलदार को डाकी दोनांती पळे आछो सीधा धरि नले एठी पेपर करियो ओके
Interim order to continue.
इंटरव्यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट आइटम
Obliged.
Item 39.
39
Lordship, here the petitioner has purchased the land from the K form holder.
Hmm?
The petitioner has purchased the land from the K form holder.
ये फॉर्म होल्डर
Yes, Your Lordship.
हां
Lordship, they are, the petitioner is in possession of the land since 3 decades. When the petitioner has approached the
you have
opposite party
purchased the land you have every document
your
registration is
registered,
everything
Annexure
there.
3 is the registered sale deed, Lordship.
Hmm?
Annexure 3 is the registered sale deed, Lordship.
Sale deed क्यों
Yes,
देखिला
Lordship.
Annexure 3
Yes, Lordship. Page 15, Lordship.
ଏଇଟା କି ସେଲ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ମ ଏମିତିଆ ସେଲ୍ ଡିଡ୍ କେଉଠି ହୁଏ ଏଟା ଷ୍ଟାମ୍ପ ପେପରରେ କିଣିଦେଲେ ଲେଖି ପକେଇଲେ ହେଲେ ସେଲ୍ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ସେଲ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ଏମିତି ହୁଏ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ପ୍ରପର ଆରଆର୍ କାଇଁ
Lordship,
RR ଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ।
when the petitioner approached the
ଆରଆର୍
tahsildar-
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
Lordship, they have not issued RR.
ହଁ
Without issuing RR, they are now going to evict us.
ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବନିଯିବ
Lordship, on the similar matter, Lordship are directed to take instruction in the matter, Lordship.
you have that means you have not purchased
Lordship, we have purchased the land.
encroached land
Lordship, before 1970.
encroached land
Lordship,
ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି
but Lordship, they have in the possession of the land since 3 decades, Lordship, and the
ଆପଣ
vendors of the
so you are admitting that you are encroached you are in a
Lordship,
encroached land
the vendors of the petitioner are
and there's maybe some tout might have sent you sorry sold you
Lordship, their name in the K form.
there are so
K
many
form
touts who are
portal,
selling land
Annexure 1.
and you are one of the you have so in that way you are encroacher
Lordship, they may take instruction. Lordship,
let
Lordship, a similar matter, Lordship has directed on 11
state to take
September.
instruction no similar matter kon
11 September instruction
give the number
Yes, Lordship.
similar matter which number
Lordship, WPC number 19299 of 24. 193.
slow go slow why do
Lordship.
ଆଉ ଥରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
19299 of 24. 19316 of 24. 19318
କେତେଟା
24.
ନା କେତେଟା ଅଛି
ଚାରିଟା।
କାଗଜ ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କେତେ କଥା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କରିବି
ଚାରିଟା।
next
Item 40.
40 different avatar today well matter So what is the quantity ganja?
Ganja, not ganja, brown sugar. It was
Huh?
seized. Yes.
Brown sugar?
Yes, it was
Kete
seized
kilo?
from the possession of
Kete kilo?
kile 2 gram. Sorry,
Huh?
kile 8 gram.
Kile 8 gram?
Kile 8 gram. That was seized from Ajay Mahapatra. Your lordship granted bail to him. It was seized from his possession.
And the petitioner
Because
is the kingpin.
Ajay Mahapatra and another person, they were transporting by way of motorcycle. They were apprehended.
Who are you?
As per their statement, the statement of those accused persons, they brought the brown sugar from me.
So you are the kingpin.
No, my lord, there is no material that nothing has been seized from me.
Material,
And the person against whom,
who will get the
from
material,
whom the
sir?
seizure was made.
This kind of material, no material can be available. Only apprehension is the only material.
My lord, another thing that when at the person from whom it was seized, he has got the antecedent. I don't have any criminal antecedent even. And I am in
You have
custody
been in custody
since 29/6/2023. No, se ଅନ୍ୟ କୋଉ main accused ଅଜୟ ମହାପାତ୍ର bail ରେ ପଳେଇଛନ୍ତି। ସେ connected record
They
ବି
are the
ଆସିଛି।
peddler, my lord. They are the distributor. He is the kingpin, my lord. What is happening, my lord?
You get his criminal antecedent.
My lord, I will.
That comes with the state to get the criminal antecedent of the present petitioner. Release the matter on 10th. Next.
41.
Please.
What is the quantity?
125 kg.
125 kg. When was he arrested?
No, it is surrendered before the next court below.
When was he arrested?
July
Huh?
1st July 2020.
24.
July.
This 24.
Basing upon the point to state, the present petitioner.
Nothing was.
Nothing has been-
You have anything?
The principal accused released on bail.
Ticket. You have got something?
From 2020, he was absconded below.
There is another case.
He was absconded.
Some other case.
No, no, in this case, in this case. In 24, he has surrendered on July 24. And he is the distributor of the ganja.
Distributor.
That is the statement of the.
Ali Hussain Khan procured the ganja from the present petitioner. That is his statement before the police.
You're local man or from some other state?
Available 2280/2020, it was filed 438.
I'm not granting. You have been absconder and the trial will never end then. Again, you will go somewhere and the trial will never progress.
No, the present nothing, the present petitioner no any criminal entity.
Maybe, but the problem is when the matter was
20-year-old.
20-year-old boy, what can I do, sir? Have I told him to do any peddling of ganja? Did I say that? Then
See the second journey of the petitioner.
second journey, maybe third journey. What can I do?
In last bail application, your lordship had done that at least master after the
Borsero.
1 month.
He is inside custody just now. Case of 2020, 4 years you are absconding. Now you again abscond. Then who will chase you, Babu?
No,
Huh?
voluntarily surrendered before.
No, voluntary. The police must be searching. When you got to know the information, police is searching. You went and surrendered voluntarily. You are showing voluntarism. Huh?
After 438, application has been filed by the petitioner.
Maybe I don't want to say.
I
I'm rejecting. Straight away. Straight away rejecting. No date for. No. I'm rejecting. I'm rejecting. Rejected. Sorry. Let him be there. The already trial will never end. This problem with this man, if he leaves, the trial will never end.
The principal accused who appeared.
Maybe, but principal is not like he is not similarly placed. He's not similarly placed.
With contraband ganja,
Maybe I don't. I'm not interested. So I'm not allowing. No. You can file there again. You can file again. Who is stopping you? Nobody can stop. No. I will not keep it pending. Already we have a lot of pendency. No. So many lots of cases are pending in this court. I don't want to add further pending. No. Dismissed. Sorry, dismissed. Next.
Item 42.
42.
Before admission, I have filed an amendment petition to
Submit 2 more ground. Amendment petition for submitting more ground. 2 more ground. What is the ground? What is the case?
The case in mirror, one petition has been disposed of in a National Local Adalat where term and condition para 9 term, term number 9 of the paragraph shows that the present land and other lands. That is no specific, so I have taken it.
Okay. You want to withdraw? Withdraw or file it again?
No.
2025 matter.
I have filed an amendment, so only 2 more grounds I filed.
Withdraw and file it fresh for the.
No, I filed consult copy, I have already typed it. Only 2 more grounds I have taken.
Okay. List the matter 18 September.
I'll file consult copy, amendment.
File it. Next. Next.
Item 43.
Give a copy of the counter to represent the opposite party.
No, please, Your Lordship.
Next.
I filed for withdrawal of the petition.
Sorry?
IA is filed for the withdrawal of the writ petition.
42.
Yeah, 43.
43.
Number 2 man.
ठीक है ना दे दियो तू
नींद कुमार मिश्रा
ना दे दे ना भूल वाले
I am happy.
Next.
Item 44.
44.
Before I am for the petitioner, my lord. We have not filed the withdrawal memo. And in this case, when withdrawal memo isn't filed, so we don't know who was filed.
Who is filed? Regular. Opposite bid number 3. Regular. Key filing.
Petition number 3. Petition number 3 has filed.
Petition number 3 has filed. That he, but
respect
all good is.
Dita schedule of land detach. Petitioner 1 ର ଗୋଟେ land ଅଛି, petitioner 2 and 3 ର ଗୋଟେ land. So 3 ର ଯଦି withdraw ହେଇଯିବ ତାହେଲେ 1 and 2 ର ରହିବ.
କେମିତି ହବ? ସବୁ ତ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ସବୁ ହେଲା ହେଇଗଲା।
Land ଦିଟା ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଅଛି ନା।
ହେଇଥାଉ ତ ଆପଣ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା?
ଯେ କିନ୍ତୁ
your read is one na.
Without our consent.
I'm not allowing that. Khatam. I'm not allowing.
Without our consent.
You don't understand, sir. I'm not allowing the read. Khatam. So the application for withdrawal. Application they say memo.
Memo.
The memo of withdrawal is rejected. Hala? Khatam. Next.
Item 46.
46. Next date.
May I please?
Excuse me. Hello. Next date. Take the next date. 24th September. Finish it on that day. Okay. अपना party. Finish कर दें late कर दें.
I'm representing for Union of.
ठीक है जी. Let it be finished. कौन issue है कौन है?
उससे मैं land allotment नहीं चाहूँ.
कब?
120 battalion land of
1965.
Bank of boundary
land को land government का land है. हाँ?
1965 रे 60 acre land allotment है 120 battalion. 120 battalion.
भुवनेश्वर.
हाँ भुवनेश्वर.
हाँ.
120 battalion तक fencing कर ची.
हाँ.
fencing 65 रू ऊपर जातो से possession.
एक ही.
ତାଙ୍କ ବାଉଣ୍ଡ୍ରି ୱାଲ ବାହାରେ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ଲଟ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଆମର ଅଛି।
ଅନ୍ୟ ସମୟରେ ବାଉଣ୍ଡ୍ରି ୱାଲ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଗଲା। ସେତେବେଳେ ରିପେୟାରିଂ କରିବାକୁ ଗଲା ଯେ ଗଲେ ଆମର ସେତେବେଳେ ଏମାନେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ କରିଲେ। They went to the civil judge Bhubaneswar. The civil judge Bhubaneswar reject the application.
Reject and dismiss for default ହେଇଛି।
ସେ ହେଲା।
He came to High Court and filed the writ.
This read, the present read, well decided.
Read
24th khatam. Sedina last din, sedina second day on evening. No parties should let the parties to file the written note of submission on the next date of listing, and it is made clear that no further time shall be granted to any of the party.
Interim order is there.
Interim order कौन है?
Status order.
Battalion land with procedure our status
battalion land no man ଆମ land ସେମାନେ boundary wall ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲା ପରେ ସେମାନେ trying to evict us ଆମ land ଉପରେ ସେମାନେ construct
କାହିଁକି ସେମିତି କରିଛି? ଯୋଉଟା ଆଗର boundary ତ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲା ତ ଗୋଟେ demarcation ରେ ଥିବ ନା boundary ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲେ ଜଣା ପଡିବନି। ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରଟେ ଅଛି ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଯାଇଛି ବୋଲେ ଏମିତି ଫନିରେ କେତେ କଣ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା ଯେ ବାଉଣ୍ଡରୀ ୱାଲ୍ ବି ଜଣା ପଡିଲାନି ଯେ ଆପଣ ପଳେଇଗଲେ ବେକାର କଥା ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲେ यहाँ पकड़ा जाओगे
We are not playing.
यस ठीक है ऑन दैट नेक्स्ट
आईए फाइल करथिलु सेटा लिस्ट
ହଉ
आइए
ହେଲା
नंबर 4297 of 2000
ठीक ଅଛି on that day I will make it final okay ଆଉ ସେଦିନ ଆଉ ରଖିବିନି
इंटरनेट टू कंटिन्यू
ହଁ intermediate to continue till that time କେବେ କହିଲି
24
24 ବେଶୀ କହିଦେଲି ଆଉ ପାଖରେ ଦିଅ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ କର ଏଇଟା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଏରେ ଇସ୍ୟୁରେ ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଫିନିଶ ଇଟ୍ କ୍ୱିକଲି 12 ତାରିଖ ରଖ 12 तारीख क्विक हला क्विकली खत्म करो
13th
नो नो 13 बहुत दिन नुहे
फ्राइडे
नॉट फॉर गुड डे फॉर यू
मतलब फ्राइडे
12 ठीक अछि
13th फ्राइडे
फ्राइडे भरसा नहीं मोर हां 12 नेक्स्ट
Item 46.
extension of time surrender
why what do you need extension of time
time of after the passing error my lord though I try to contact the petitioner through a mobile phone which he has given my lord but that phone could not connect so
ठीक है 10 days more time is granted for the petition to surrender please the matter our let's करियो let's help you let it
2 तारिख को अर्जन अछि सोमवार दिन
दिन अछि
आगे
तो सोमवार था ताले आज के पे लगी
एटा मेंशन करथिले तांकर एक्सटेंशन पे बेल पे
ओ ठीक है 10 days 10 days time granted 10 days पर को डेट पर दे दियो नेक्स्ट next
Item 47.
47
Lady, here in this case, earlier I filed a writ application, writ application before the Slum, and my lord has passed a direction.
That poultry farm.
A poultry farm, and my lord has given a direction. The direction is such. In such view of the matter, the said department is directed to take appropriate action against the opposite party number 5, who has violated the guidelines of Central Pollution Control Board. The petitioner is also directed to approach the department ventilating his grievance against the opposite party number 5 by filing a representation. On such event, the department shall take appropriate steps against the opposite party number 5 as expeditiously as possible.
Who is the opposite party?
Opposite party is the amaro तहसीलदार
no no the
जो आउची जे करिची भावलेटर तो हमें नहीं जे कहि दउची एटा आबे फाइल कला पर आपण एटा ऑर्डर देला पर हमें गवर्नमेंट तांकु जाई कि देला पर सेटे गोटे इंक्वायरी हला एबो सेटा डिले करले देन आई फाइल ए कंटेम्प्ट पिटिशन pursuant to a direction by the contempt petition they have taken steps and they have then they passed an order for stopping of this operation in the court. So that order he has challenged without giving the reference of this earlier order being passed by this one.
This matter?
Yes.
Who is the petitioner case?
से petitioner जो petition ता आज उठीची
petitioner
से order नहीं गला अपन तो order नहीं गला जे ये जो order टारे ये court रा order रे जो टा stay है थिला सेटा को से नहीं गला vacate कर देला अब से अब जदी बुझे थांदा ए कथा रे ई सिचुएशन नहीं थांदा this court would not have passed any order and I am not noticed.
Let him come. The petitioner तो आसु
so तेलो सेथिरे मोर जो पूर्वर जो केस टा करथिली सेटा मते आसु WPC number 7104 कारण सेथिरे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट मध्ये गोटे रिटन बोर्ड दैछन तांको जो स्टेटमेंट दैछन दे हैव अपोज्ड इट
ठीक है
again
we'll see that what is the petitioner तो आसु who is that petitioner
more along with petitioner
पीतांबर बेहरा हां आप जानछथि
हम जानि छी
तमरो कोइ
कहबी तो
ट्यूसडे पे वेडनेसडे कर वेडनेसडे 4 रे
हां नहीं 4
अपन अछन दिता ना कोडे जाउछ
नहीं मु से पर्यंत रहिबी सेति पे मु कहली
ठीक अछि त हां ठीक
आयर कॉपीटा दे दो
ସେ number
7104
এটা হলো তো
7104 of 24
কন্টেম্পটেশন কইছো
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଇ ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି ତ
ও অর্ডার আছে
ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇ ନା
এটা দেই দিবি সেদিন
ଠିକ ଅଛି next
item 48
May I please, your lordship, I have filed a short modification of your lordship's order.
what is the order modification
Order ରେ ହଜୁର କହିଥିଲେ କି କଲେକ୍ଟର OP number 3 କଲେକ୍ଟର ସବ କଲେକ୍ଟର ବାରିପଦାକୁ କରଞ୍ଜିଆକୁ ମୁଭ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇନଆଡଭର୍ଟେଣ୍ଟଲି ଇଟ୍ ହାଜ ବିନ୍ ଟାଇପ୍ଡ ଆଜ୍ ବାରିପଦା କରଞ୍ଜିଆ ହବା କଥା
କରଞ୍ଜିଆ ହବା କଥା, ଠିକ।
କରଞ୍ଜିଆ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଲିବର୍ଟି ନେବି କି ଯୋଉ କଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇଟେଲଟା ଖାଲି ବାରିପଦା ହେଇଛି କରଞ୍ଜିଆ ଟିକେ କର
ଆପଣ ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ସେଦିନ କିନ୍ତୁ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଲା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିବେ ଆମେ ଭୁଲ କରିବୁ
ସେଥିପାଇଁ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିବେ
ଲର୍ଡସିପ ସେଦିନ ପଚାରିଥିଲେ ମତେ ବି ଟିକେ
ଭେରିଫାଇ କରିବୁ କରଞ୍ଜିଆ ନା ବାରିପଦା ଆମେ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା କରଞ୍ଜିଆ
ଲେଖିଲେ ଆମେ
ସେଦିନ ନାଇଁ ହଜୁର ବି ମତେ ଟିକେ ପାର୍ଟି କରିଥିଲେ ଯେ କାହିଁକି ଭେରିଫାଇ କରିନଥିଲେ ତାପରେ କରଞ୍ଜିଆ
କରଞ୍ଜିଆ କେसे ବାରିପଦା ଲେଖିବେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଟା କରଞ୍ଜିଆ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ହବା କଥା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୋର ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଟାଇମ ପିରିୟଡ ଟା 15 days ଥିଲା ଟିକେ 15 days
ଆଉ 15 days ବଢେନି 10 days ବଢେନି କେବେ କେବେ ତାର ଟାଇମ ପିରିୟଡ ସରିଛି କେବେ
ସରି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା 13/8 ରୁ 15 ଦିନ କହିଥିଲେ 13/8 ରେ 28/8 ରେ ସରି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା ୱିଦିନ ଟାଇମ ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି ଇଏଟା ଟାଇମଟା ଫ୍ରମ 15 days from today କରିଦେଲି ସେ କରେକ୍ସନ କରିଦେଲି କରି ଲିବର୍ଟି ନେଇ
ठीक है next
item 49
My lord, revision against conviction under 138 NI Act, my lord. Right. We have deposited 20%.
डिपॉजिट कले सेटा तो करथिबे बाकी के पैसा
ऑर्डर हे पलने के बिस्केट से फाइल करनथले बोले स्टे एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ एनबीडब्ल्यू टा फाइल करनथले ऑर्डर कर दिथिले किंतु
आज आई थी
अच्छी डिले 15 दिन अछि
कोडा
item 49
आगे
563
आगे तीनटा को अछि गोटे अछि फॉर
316 317 318
ए तीनटा केस अछि की
तीनटा डिवीजन अछि
हाउ ठीक है डिले कंट्रोल कर जा डिले कंट्रोल केते अमाउंट केते अछि आपन
5 लाख गोटे रे अछि 5 लाख 5 लाख 6
आई एम नॉट पेइंग इट खत्म कर
my lord she has problems is not that well
वो वाटर ग्राउंड बाहर कर
किसी कहिबे डिपॉजिट कर
अननेसेसरी केस है पर जेल जीवो ए हो से
your lordship pass any amount will deposit
20% कहथिले आपण डिपॉजिट करिया से ऑर्डर करो
कहले आपण 20%
नै अपन करना
20% हम करिछु ऑलरेडी
ट्रायल ले करथिले
सेटा तो करथिले
आउ 30%
आउ 30% देन तो दे देन 30% ले देन the petitioner the petitioner is related to pay another 30% of the outstanding amount kete amount is it total
5 lakh check amount
5 lakh check amount
compensation 7.5 lakhs
total 12 lakh
आया नहीं अधिक 7.5 with compensation
तो ओवरऑल देखा जीवा ना
ओवरऑल देखा जीवा
7.5 ने 12 है ना के 13 लाख समथिंग अछि
नहीं आगे 5 टा 7.5 हां 5 लाख टा 7.5 लाख है
सर गोटा चेक अमाउंट 7 लाख होची कंपनसेशन
माने इंक्लूडिंग
वो जो 7 ओके बुझ गेली हां तो 7 ला
7.5 30%
देबो
2 लाख
2 लाख कित 2 लाख 20 30 कोन हो
2 लाख दे 2 lakh the petitioner to deposit rupees 2 lakh before the court below within
3 months time
3 months में 2 lakhs
तीनटा केस नॉर्मल आगे न था
within 1 month within 1 month
तीनटा केस अछि तो सेति में
देबाउ पड़ियो तो आउ पैसा 1 month को दे within 45 days within 45 days within 45 days from today.
Yes, madam.
In the cases. Unless the matter I am fixing it in October. Puja chutti par hai next. This is the matter on 22nd October.
Stay execution
and amount if deposit the amount will be disbursed in favor of the
if the amount is deposited by the petitioner the same amount shall be disbursed in favor of the
Complainant, opposite party.
complainant, opposite party.
My lord, stay execution of NBW.
Stay. Application code
649. IA.
ଆସିନି ଅଛି ଆମର
ଅଛି ଅଛି
ମାନେ delay କଣ୍ଡନ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ଆସିନି ଫାଇଲ ରେ ଅଛି
ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆମର 317 ଟା ବି ସେମ୍
ତିନିଟା କା
ସବୁଥିରେ ସେମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର
ନାଇଁ କମ ଅଛି ବୋଧେ ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେରେ 6 ଲକ୍ଷ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଦୁଇଟା 5 ଲକ୍ଷ
30% of the
amount 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ambiguity ରହିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
small amount here and there order
ସେଟଲ ବି ହେଇଯିବ
settle ହେଇଗଲେ ଭଲ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
I always prefer this
Exactly,
kind of
yes,
grievancing matter unnecessary. Why should somebody go to jail?
yes my lord, yes
ଗୋଟେ civil dispute ଟା basically criminalize କରିକି ତାକୁ jail କୁ ପଠାଇବା କିଛି ଆବଶ୍ୟକ
ଠିକ purpose fulfill ହବନି ତା ପଠେଇଲେ jail
no purpose
exactly ମୋ ନାଟା ବି ଅଛି ମୋ ନାଟା ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେବେ
ନା ନାହିଁ କି
ନା ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲି ଭକଲା ଦବା ରେକର୍ଡରେ ବି ଅଛି ଦେଖ ଆସିନି
okay next
item 50
item 50 may I please your lordship
50
may I please your lordship
yes what is the matter
my lord matter relating to my lord conviction under section 323 325 petitioner number 2 has been convicted with imprisonment of 4 months my lord and petitioner number 1 has been convicted for 1.5 years my lord
past time coming
first time my lord because there is some delay my lord
delay
କେତେ delay
ହଉଛି 224 ଦିନ
delay କରିବି
ଯେତେବେଳେ arrest ହେଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣିଲେ ଯେ
you have written the ground what is the ground for delay
ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ମାନେ ଆମର knowledge ରେ ନଥିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ arrest ହେଲୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଲୁ
since it was not in the knowledge of the petition there's delay which is inadvertent okay so let's fix some other day so let's fix it in July sorry October no
ବେଲ୍ ଷ୍ଟେ ଅଛି ଭିତରେ ରହିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା 4 ମାସ କନଭିକ୍ସନ ରେ ଏବେ 4 ମାସରେ ଭିତରେ ରହିଗଲାଣି 15
okay bail granted
may admit the
admit kariyo bail granted release the matter for final hearing on 30th of September korchi
malo
30th September final hearing
malo
we also get ready with them
and stay realization of fine malo
okay thank you